Dental Clinic, Gentleman Dental Clinic, as what I see, and no pay Nasam Kito Cranty, not no pay, Sawati and Kanwa Bomodesta, Ubetuma Rum, also our Gentleman Dental Clinic, no fee, Vipiason, let me quit Damon, me Pacho, Watoroma, Gentleman Dental Clinic, some infant to him, say, Pia Pestina, so much for Numupa, now was sitting them, no, I am re, what I saw sitting them, no, and so I am re, now me Pacho, and you man queer and from our Upestel to say yes, and you man for Numupa, and after crossu wo numa now Bomatain no wet rum no wakwa Gentleman Dental Clinic no and that's the rum our Gentleman Dental Clinic not from perform that's where to shall come upon a fee and you must wait to make amount obu so anka wo num pa e kro wo num and after me patro de tenesa the state na na yebrana so ne keka promote so beto robot Gentleman Dental Clinic na fee won in perform so akwa kudin komo won be show ama wo se no de atotema ho bia no esom let me ja kama e de amount and after my front to the Sobu and the Sino or Pursue City Gold and after Silver Pomotesta go back to my room our Gentleman Dental Clinic na urum our Gentleman Dental Clinic na me catch us what Doroma me patrol and not just the amount pure good and a pure servant yet and Popo what as your Sibawa the more Echadona bright and of for Buaswa the patrol what Doroma Gentleman Dental Clinic Sebra on San Kawankawa Abasha was not say one castle say yes, and Yama Enquay, what I say, Robert Gentleman Dental Clinic, and Periforma Show, Nan Kawana, and so was national, yes, killing and a polishing. I just be Piason, the Betamaque Damount, Gentleman dear, the patrol room, our Abreport Junction, on Abreport Junction, the patrol, room, our Adana UMP Bank, no, and so a woman, the patrol on this rope, your total filling station, you never tell the school the teacher, and to Robert Gentleman Dental Clinic, and then perform. Son coding come Urobo cry your atomic company atomic down and often C5 junction Ubo get check coin Nabipiam Nebeque so at the amount and often talk radio Banchasi Tadisco down and the gentleman the Omema at theatre so to Cofodia your best central police station and then periphonic come 05 59 13 95 82 05 59 13 95 82 Yahoma Ube to my friend Gentleman Dental Clinic one in perform that's where to bet in come I'm a Piason, let me conquer about Genty College at Chidano Pay, Genty or Genty no way, have you palmy patrol, open ultra modern button facilities are a bit of hosty Accra, a much as a wet to my trust here, not wet to my Kanakuma to them, no wet to me, Esria dear, what did it Genty College what just here 2024-2025 admission in Gusua, a question 2%, what do Papano or Papamano at the co school, not for me patrol SS and Sorano. What to make enough for 20 years? What did it Genty College? What their credit call? Your business, your general arts, and of your home economics, and of a bun visual arts, a bun agric science, and of the patriots and yeah, a count piano. What did it Genty College? What their credit call of a Wakako Stradia, me patro school, Ewa Kumawu Quanta school, Ewa, Naoko environment to a person yes, and in from maybe FOA, a credit task to Australia, no, Casabon Sampa, whenever be power, son of a what to Australia. Any Genty College for any common 0243 721 659 0243 721 659 Yahoma. Ube to my friend Genty College na for him for some let me in Koma. I'ma be Piasso at my Kami Pacho. Mammy time Heba Mester no Nami Bobby what you say time Heba Mester a ratina coupon. Hey, when you build Ruma, Messi malaria partner at the with the Pajanimu. Ama was way to what day a time helper Mr. Pomate sounds to Makabi, no pinable poppy, in 3D malaria moano, sad away any Timmy Kumo, and you Philip Genua, Obetmato home, that's what free malaria home, and your time helper Mr. No, and of a time HH helper Mr. Unya piano no not for wobble bar, Nabi Piabakoyam, that's what about what I say, me patrano a boost to immune system, what I say, on Comwano, and Manoya ding kama, out as a nest of good talk to the time HH Heba Mr. Binabo Ball, or your banner so covered, Chediman to me queen from out, Yadiam, and the Pajanimu, why no fatal thing. Now time HH Heba Mr. Binabo Ball, no, I'm so Tatasiam, that's what the Papa 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 Yahoma, Ube to my fair time, Heba Mr. and Penny for the Fay, Uno Metin Coma, or man the beer tone will Peru Yoqua, also per time no, na malaria, proud what I say, one bɛhwɛ no afɔma yi biama ho na woatuma bobɔ bi na wotatanseɛ ɛso aba kama paa na deɛ kyɛ no mepatwɔ nom kangen energetic mineral water no bi na mepatwɔ mo nsoɔ mo daba no ɛyɛ alkaline water water sɛ kangen energetic drinking water ɛnso ɛyɛ nso a mekamfo ne bɔ bibia mepatwɔ deɛ ɛma wo kidney ɛtumi yɛ adwuma paa ɛne so bɛtumi anom nso a ɛyɛ papa na sɛ wopɛ nso ɛyɛ papa wɔ Ghana adeɛ a ɛyɛ kangen energetic drinking water ɛno ne nso a wonya bia bobɔ no afei wonom bia meka kyerɛ sɛ bɛtumi aboa ama wo kidney no ɛno nso ɛtumi ayɛ adwuma yie paa saa nso wei wonom a ɛma wo bo hyehyɛw ɛwi sɛ acidic content no mepatwɔ yiri nyinaa ɛnso deɛ firi mu a nsuo no yɛ nsuo korogyen saa nsuo wei na woturu Japan a obia nom ɛma mepatwɔ wotumi nyini kyɛ wata senti nya kangen no anasɛ kangen energetic drinking water no bi na robobɔ na no nom na wotatanseɛ nso de bɛba kama na afei bibia so ɛtumi awie pɛɛ so dama mepatwɔ saa nsuo wei ɛwɔ dansedi a ɛba no ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora rich in mineral ɛyɛ rich in minerals wata seɛ na afei mepatwɔ ɛboa ma nipadua no so tumi fanhye yie ɛma wo yam da hɔ wo a wo yam tim wodeɛ ɛne kangen energetic drinking water no nom bi na bobɔ bi na fa adanseɛ berɛ a wopɛ dodoɔ to a 0241 449 191 0241 0241 449 na wabɔ ɛyɛ 191 na afei watuma no mpi na bibia so yɛtuma kɔɛ so gyama kɔde kɔdwo deɛ wopɛ dodo atu a na mepatwɔ wakɔ na fa kɔdwo deɛ brɛma UGC abawa ru junction hɔ a ɛna wobɛhu ɛyɛ kangen energetic drinking water no bi na afei wanom bi na wabobɔ bi na bibia so yɛtuma kɔnkan ɛnso ɛde ama wo mepatwɔ yɛnwura mu na yɛnkɔ St. Andrews SHS St. Andrews for deɛ ɔmo yɛ heavy o wɔmo bɔ adwuma paa asɛm ketewa kora sɛ school wei adwuma school wei yɛ no ano ɔden nti na nɔpɛi wotemi nka wuram ɛwɔ St. Andrews SHS na afei kɔ ne kɔsua deɛ hɔ kɔ na mepatwo kɔ school hɔ na fa adanseɛ no so ɛbra wate ase yɛyɛ general arts yɛyɛ general science ana afei business home economics ana afei visual arts wokɔ a mepatwo teacherfoɔ kuku dampa a ɛna ɛkyɛ deɛ hɔ ɛkɔm bɛfa so asaike akora no ama akora no prepared for the final exams no kora no ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛno ɛyɛ St. Andrews what I say St. Andrews yɛ heavy wɔ bɔ adwuma paa ɔmo Ghana ha bɛbia bɛho St. Andrews SHS what I say wode kɔde kɔsua deɛ na wowura mu asomfo so a yɛwɔ rich FM abɔ sane mu a wobɛhu yɛkyɛ kwan mankasim yɛbɔ hɔ ɔnafɛ dunkwa ɔnɔfin wobɛhu yɛkyɛ kwan sɛ wiasɛnwe so ɔnafɛ new adubiase wobɛhu yɛkyɛ kwan wo ne St. Andrews 14 kɔmɔ 0244 696911 0244 696911 ɛyɛ ahoma wobɛtuma fɛ St. Andrews na afei wo na ɔmɔdi nkɔmɔ ama bibia so bɛtuma kɔnkan in boost herbal mixture no wɔ dwa so wonya bia nonom na afei woabobɔ na meka kyerɛ sɛ in boost herbal mixture no ɛno yɛ pɔsi nadro no ɔma mu aka na ha obi agye tom sɛ ɔpɔsi nadro no ɛyɛ number 1 immune system booster a kyerɛ sɛ wonya bi nonom a ɛboost wo immune system no nkɔmɔ no yɛ den ama yadeɛ bi ahinta wɔ nipadua no mu dwane yadeɛ bi aka wɔto hɔ mepatwɛ wo immune system no ɛwɔ yɛ den pɛ wobɔ sɛ ɛpia yaden deɛ firi nipadua no mu ama ho so bɛtoma tonti na nɔpɛi wote nka in boost herbal mixture dɛdɛdɛ in boost herbal mixture bɔbɔbɔ no ɛne adura so wotumi nya binom na afei yadeɛ bi adokoro bia no a mepatwɛ bi a wakɔ hospital doctor mu anuro ama onuro yadeɛ no ntumi nkɔ ne nyane sɛ immune system no ahoɔden no ɛso wɔ fam bɔbɔde sɛ wo nsa bɛtuma ka in boost herbal mixture no bi nonom bi na bobɔ bi ɔma baabi ɛtɔ nnuro bia no wo nsa bɛka in boost herbal mixture wode ɔkɔ a also propose ne do no obia bɛyi bia ma ho open do to a 0246 208496 0246 208496 ya homa wobɛtuma frɛ imposter by mixture na for them mpɛdefoɔ ɛsom yɛtuma di nkɔmmɔ ama bibia som yɛtuma kɔnkan dama wo betway wɔtaseɛ betway deɛ ɛma wo bet ne nsae mepatwɛ betway nko a ɛne the bet no apa mepatwɛ wodi gya wɔ so a ɛde mfasoɔ bebree ɛnso de ma wo betway ɛne ɛta yɛkyi na nɔpɛi yɛde full time no de ma wo live on Sompa 93.1 wɔtaseɛ wopɛ quality betting deɛ a ɛnoa ne betway nti noa ne sɛ wokɔ play store so na wabɔ betway na yi app no enso abaka papa na fe wo so tebe twa bet no ho me pato twa obedi wudi so onsa beka betway de on delay wo payment ho eno no so wadi na bibiasom eteba kobo se sikana ba betom krodon na wo de hwe ho afa ama bibiasom eteba konkan betway employ di pa bebre e wo wiase ni nya nsa ni pato employment betway edeba manfo no we nyese bia wo hye coat no bota kwetran office so eno no so call phone so o call phone so a Manchester ja Philip no na watcha betway sabi pato won ja kra ma bet ne sai what as here adeba koma betway eda sonkono no on jai ma bet ne ensai ubo sese esaya o opportunity say me pato betuma stable bet ne kama ama bibiasom betuma kweso demanti betway de the best betting app also to be dia grow ho na fo to nya sika gu bottom na bibiasom betuma kweso demanti betway ye demasese de bia no motachi na fe you to the so omo enjoy kama ama bibiasom to be konkan entomodo ro motachi ana no pa yatasia ye dem amorane stabno so de ba life in the Cote Super Mercantile 93.1 on totally your boss standing Johnny Sports Station that keeps you updated on all the latest standard of events, your ultimate tradition of radio quality. Me patron no pay young Facebook no so Sompa 93.1. Now we follow, now we share, now to message the bar, now for king kind let's what about and we have to bet to so Sompa 93.1 and we Facebook no so follow na share na for message the bra on of Sompa TV and some ewo me patwa doroma the telesam ewo YouTube no so na wo subscribe na what to message na pa na kenkan and so taba kama ama bibia som etoma konka mi patwa yanko na yon fansam no so emra real ba to bobo kudi to kwan omu koshia RCD Espanol bobo kono ama mi patwa game no koda wi ye na RCD Espanol for wo ma pomaten at real ba to bobo kudi chobo kama ko real ba to bobo kudi prayer and you meant to tentam and so for real ba to bobo kono and you ma kwacho to real ba to bobo kono what do man patwa report no pay men seka Patterson already thing and Antonio Rudiger and Loco the crazy one also could pray I'm a medical team no as with me assess already did Antonio Rudiger now report about them already thing and Carlo Michel Angelo and Stalotti Caleto to don't offend the Carlo as Lotti manager at him the Mario to Bobo Kune Patterson already did Antonio Rudiger me patrobet for 3 weeks now Chimako Miasa Abra Brantano as went to Mr. Kai and for Mario to Bobo Kono and team Patro already did Antonio Rudiger the news near bad news with the more already thing and a Carlo Ancelotti Nana Patro couldn't to technical report on pay and also by Patterson real man to Bobo Kono Omuntimi for money to a Brantia the fellow Aurelian to many journey to don't offend to many Omuntimi for money to the soul and Mr. Brante way me patron and then what there one near Brante the Rahu assess your pay no real to pay the phone Sompa Timon a Brante for Antonio Rudiger Pra Wakoko Pranebe Timon na so real man to Bobo Kono any option be just a most take to a Brante the thing and so to many and for ready thing and a Rahu assess your the beer me patron the next year 3 games are real man to Bobo Kono eba panon and you bet to Bakoye and so tabar real man to Bobo Kono and to ready today Antonio Rudiger Wakoko pay bad news and so the bar real man to Bobo Kono report and on a pay and so bar young want to my so tababu yet to bet to so get a sweating kunaso get the study bar me patron pastor Bobo Kono to make away Wamoko chala bed Bobo Kono to Bokabako and you must let to be koye and so to my pastor Bobo Kono and I'm patron branch for the Pablo Gavira to don't offend yeah Gavi suko pray what I say I'm a patron medicated no after start branch for the Gavi I'm a confirm table already thing and hands data flicks a branch the pra Wakoko prano and now just say serious what I said now or responded to treatment I'm a branch no and yama now doctors next practice almost a bit to make a concern a branch for the governor, almost said to be kind to that, yes, Srobia womb, a branch to recover within short time of a was said to be available for selection of a what was the kind, and so Taba pass a bobo couldn't take a crowd. If you pass a bobo could Australia, and so the back concern a branch for the young one to another person Tabamo, and we had to the so now me patrobation Spanish La Liga table no real battle and pay for at him with patro complaints, and so the Cocoba La Liga and pay for say referee and the thing and Iglesias Bianova ame patro jira mu na fe otoyirem etba kansela bra womene Espanyol bobo kodiko share already didn't kill any purple 10 player je fe Romero omosha ayo tackle de ko abrantia the thing that's the kill any purple so anan ko say to me ayo penalty referee the Bianova me patro de tenesen went to mante amfama Real Madrid bobo kono womutine pass referee no what the resource e bottom and already by ya obedi Real Madrid bobo kono where you terrible mistake Real Madrid pay the 40 pass referee Jeff Fifi why I was saying pay the 40 should have omutime punishing already thing and so the Bianova no referee obeti na for toy them and so the back against internal kaka me patro no pay if Real Madrid gamer and what to be to jabra me patro money Espanyol bobo kono so the penny and now no Saturday no yen what to my so tababu yet to better the life on Sompa 93.1 and I was so good so with no yen Real Madrid bobo kono so yeah now Fabi patro yen La Liga table no mon fa La Liga table no so and some Fabi busha for na fe yen so far say the city results no and e dia to TV no now with the La Liga table no so to so na fe ya so far say the city Real Madrid bobo kono 49 wo be the kan Atletico Madrid bobo kono e wo 48 wo mo to so bi no na matches no the same number of matches and Obiabo 22 Barcelona bobo kono 45 and after Bilbao bobo kono e wo 41 Real bobo kono tosunum among e wo 37 Real La Liga table no the first 5 no and a day abamu we to better so young come English sabutuo na fe nkodi nkomom na already did Mikel Arteta Montreal manager adama ask the bobo kono nyeme tbakoye aso the already did Mikel Arteta amam pato what you already did your step Pep Guardiola Iceland to not for the Pep Guardiola the team Manchester City bobo kono actually kanum and you meant to bank former already to the Pep Guardiola ni team no already to the Mikel Arteta say some moment where there be a commercial best our some moment where mo amania or say some with me enya cohesion between players no and of supporters no not supporters the massive support the more players no not players no some cheer supporters no not for omo our pitch there's no more budma and the team can say to Manchester City no Man City bobo kono eche anasas na bobo kono eche Man City bobo kono chobo kanum omo atobo bakwa wase sa moment we coach bia be pese be consistent na fe anyama som etoba ko yeso taba nti obo boys na ba so na already partners obo de wo mote kakaka game after game na so bia kase Liverpool bobo kono o mate Premier League na one dey wote anya de so be comment ne mom as the bobo kono mo focus our the next game yan kono fe nkotie already thing and Mikel Arteta Montreal manager and so Edma asked the bobo kono sema ono so dia tuja
after that. What a performance.
Great day. The results, massive. The performance, the manner that we've done it. Really happy, really proud of the players. Really proud of, again, the atmosphere that we have created in the stadium. It was mind-blowing. So, a good day to remember.
Mikel, where to start after that? What a performance.
Great day. The results, massive. The performance, the manner that we've done it. Really happy, really proud of the players. Really proud of, again, the atmosphere that we have created in the stadium. It was mind-blowing. So, a good day to remember.
Mikel, where to start after that? What a performance.
Great day.
Yes, and to way I already did Mikel Arteta manager. Edma asked the bobo kono na papa no ewie ana branch for the declarise no ono wa put pam enso tama asked the bobo kono no no declarise e ka to biasa basa kwam biaso asked the bobo kono be keep on pushing against Liverpool bobo kono obi aka Liverpool bobo kunya runaway champions boka adia cho biasa omo asked the bobo kono they are really focused on the next game omo ball and of ombe take game after game of me push no more jide ba pass a true time also ask the bobo kono take over the show ask the bobo kono they will take over the show and some brand for the declarise and the tuja
Arsenal fans, massive day today. Big win against Manchester City. So happy. The boys are buzzing. Obviously, to win that and to stamp our mark on the game was top. We need to keep pushing, and also to the girls who won 4-3. We see the result. We're buzzing for you as well. So let's keep pushing and see where the season can take us. Come on, you Gunners.
Yes, and to wait,
Arsenal fans, massive day today.
and some of the Atuja, and so no, now I brought
So
the
happy the
thing, and
boys are
then Luis
buzzing.
Kelly,
Obviously,
also
to
I
win
brought
that,
the
to stamp
Pogo,
our mark on the
at the
game was
Arsenal
top.
Bobo,
We need to keep pushing, and also to get
Master
Aussie
Arsenal
1-4-3.
players, no Kano Krayoma, Womanichi, Papa, and that's the good talk into the future, no, and so the battle, TV, so nothing, yet to man, Joy Kama, I brought the Luis Kelly, yes, 1 year, Nevito, and at that TV, national number 49 was I brought the Ellen Holland, Quay of Fast celebrating, Yang Wababe go back, now Babe celebration way, yes, you were, Sanya Mani Pia, you bet to Mamu, and Muguas, what has interpreted this go, and our quarter say, we imitate a branted the thing, and Ellen Holland was your kind, and some Manchester City, Bobo Kurania, Brantia, your friendly Wiz Kelly, no, and I'm Patrobam fan to the Mr. Brantia, your friendly Wiz Kelly, who know our TV national, on your Brantia for the Ayrton Waneri, the Patras and Perry Faster here, woman said 2 boys waiting, come to the beer, one bit to the pen, SC Kratas, no matter stadium contract, Adama asked no Bobo Kono, and Tianika Crabby Patron free asked no Bobo Kono, if from yesterday, Mammy, I branted the thing, and so the Matai style, you pull Sakai, Adama Munchin Bobo Kono, Wadaroma asked no Bobo Kono, according to report, I don't pay, make it from the corridors of us, the Bobo Kono Patches, or more consider branted for the Matai style, said the beer, one bit to me boost to Matakano, I may be Pia Sweat to Quinty, yeah, Chelsea, no meeting, Ego Sweat Coso, Abra asked and Penny 14, come, I said the beer, already to the Matai style, I said, the Bermunchin for pair, a year loan deal plus obligation to buy, and also asked the Bobo Kono enter Brantano, the asking price, no outright, no fee, a Branton with Mr. Kai, and from asked the Bobo Kono transfer for Guswa, when we meet to the Bobo, because that's somebody bid, and the Baba Bermunchin Bobo Kono, the French international, already to the Matai style, and so bar, Nam, Baba Mr. Kai, and the man asked the Bobo Kono take a crowd, if we ask the Bobo Kono Master, that's what they bar, already tell you say Pep Gotola, I seller, do not for the Pep Gotola, now Papa, or the same Bratuja, now your Kumus already to the Pep Gotola, sir, game we are course, we won't say, and was say, ono call dress room na the boy for power players no so bu free so yetima game to certain level na yetima consider a lot of goals within 25 minutes na nyama start to kwa cho dema Man City bobo kuna me patro your supporter anka woni betia na eno ye soba me patro ready to the Pep Guardiola ono so dia to the Arsenal players ni bofu no ono so bofu pa nyama koso eno no nyama nkoye amfa Manchester City bobo kuna eno ye soba me patro ready to the Pep Guardiola manager at the Manchester City bobo kuna odia to yeah, what to my so tabu yet to so now me patro teroma oko Man City bobo kuna so ya also be catch us already to the ticket but the stand tabu jika on your sporting director the Manchester City bobo kuna already to the Pep Guardiola say the squad near complete. It was so ready to be questionable for Jumatin. Now what they play Bakum Yunubi at the partner from straight to be Sakai at him Manchester City Bobo Kono. What other one patro de Tennessee a branch for the Andra Campiaso. A pro second about you for Bobo Kono. Also me catch us a personal terms there. Manchester City Bobo Kono and it the Italian international but to be a credible sign 6-year contract at the Manchester City Bobo Kono or just 6 million euros a season. Our Man City Bobo Kudimo, Nabra, me patron, Omo Joe for Bobo Kudima, already thing, and a ticket by Grestan, a contact already to the Cristiano Quintoli, on your sporting director, Adama Joe for Bobo Kono, Joe from Penny Foster Crona, your friend on Antra Campiasono, a more per 75 million euros, and Sada Croway, who met to better the song called Nonco Second from Manchester City Bobo Kono, Man City in Penny Foster Derby, no Bonnet, and to your chain of a Yama transfer winter. No, but the year near start the offer that their cost Juve and Penny for Bejatum. I'm accredited and track Campias bar. No, Baby Sakan so to Manchester City Bobo Kunantanopono may confirm the Massa already to the ticket by the start of Tabu Jika on your spotted Tarotadaba Manchester City Bobo Kono on an Penny for quarters of Jono or more Patterson or more Tessica. Yes, 60 million euros at the Kokoma Juve Bobo Kono. Now, me Patrobota Branted the thing and an Antra Campias bar and non Patroba. Fanto de Bossa, Uroba Manchester City Bobo kuna so ye na no pay a o ma take decision said there be according to antra campia so no ne bone do wo betwen na ma season na tuba koda wi ye na me antum ne season ne koda wi ye a no mo ko try bio ama Juve mpede for sika mo de ko 60 million euros no se Juve mpede for be so ma wo mo da kra for the antra campia so aba na in the meantime there me patro credit no is off anya de so Manchester City bobo kono o mo be pursue the signature of the Italian international already thing so the antra campia so with this a year transfer window mo entade kakra if Manchester City bobo kono fro ba so ye so de ba ye nwatuma so taba bo ye tuma tede so ye free Manchester City bobo kono mai ne akwa tuma kakra e wo Manchester United bobo kono so ye enti me patro mo de a year Premier League no mo de table ne bato so na ya hwe Premier League no so de City and Chelsea bobo kono e jakono Chelsea and West Ham United bobo kono adi bobo ni sanke way ano be ten papa anya sem ketokra already thing enso ane aye enso baraska manager adi man Chelsea bobo kono already hwe ni sa match way obetuma win pe Chelsea bobo kono beto so fourth na nyama so etuma ko etuma Chelsea bobo kono it is sanke way a very important game adi man Chelsea bobo kono 8 p.m. ana sanke way so etiato e wo Premier League mo already to the start out on the referee obetem na fe what toy them adi man case na Chelsea and West Ham United bobo kone de bani oko Premier League ma Liverpool bobo kone di kan omo 56 points ana fe Arsenal bobo kone 50 ya wa Nottingham Forest bobo kone tosumiasa o 47 ana fe Manchester City bobo kone 41 afe Newcastle United bobo kone tosunum o 41 ana Chelsea bobo kone aso tosunsia 40 eti Chelsea bobo kone enya win pe obaba to Nottingham Forest echiwo ne bibie kwe enso etaba Chelsea bobo kone tade kakra efi Chelsea bobo kone fu ba so ye eso de ba ye wajuma edim ababo no pay live on Sompa 93.1 me patcho ko Facebook reso o ko Facebook reso Sompa 93.1 FM na wo follow na wo share na wo to message de pa na fe kenkan eso de ba na fe wo ramo YouTube reso Sompa TV na wo subscribe na to message na ba ni akenkan so de ba kama ama bi piasom let me we pay me patcho da so tinku da so ye ngro Manchester United bobo kodimo anopa ye confirm to ba say abrante for the Marcus Rashford player was kind of Manchester United bobo kono Aston Villa bobo kono already to the Unai Emery at barriers Aston Villa abamoten let's wait to be ama Marcus Ekokosia kind at the ama Aston Villa bobo kono yama dutos nessa sa komene sa Aston Villa bobo kono abo person Marcus deal no aye permanent one metro 40 million pounds and a double Manchester United bobo kono run kasa in the personal terms no in the meantime you sign 6 months contract and a double Aston Villa afei nyame atuna se deal no be permanent oba sign 3 years and a team ama Aston Villa bobo kono waje 325,000 pounds every Friday mame fan to the so called Manchester United bobo kono agreement to Aston Villa bobo kono ye no Manchester United betua na wa check no go metua 70% and a double Brentford for the Marcus na fei dia kana Aston Villa bobo kono abomote so atua e de pia Brentford so kopim season no ebe ko de wi ye na bi pia tuma ko e de Aston Villa bobo kono and pata Brentford for the Marcus Rashford say o we see Manchester United bobo kono wall na Manchester United and Aston Villa bobo kono say so mun nyina timi trase na for budget to say I was said do no and so to me go through no mom adeba ko trigger ne say e ma ne control so be sia kan atem ama Aston Villa bobo kono aye kwan a already den so no Unai Emery of faso SSC team ama fe wura no ball no mo bono and especially when you were for Champions League no na ni papa ano na sama already did Marcus Rashford o player o say kadaba Manchester United bobo kono o Roma ko sia kan tama Aston Villa bobo kono what to ja ye want to so taba mo we to better so na wo ko Manchester United bobo kono so ya ma men fan to de so de tiene abrante for the Christopher Alan Nkunku report no pay intelligence abekra part say bibia NCDA already thing any Christopher Alan Nkunku best e wo Chelsea bobo kono nya sam to masa ni nya ne sam buram e wo Manchester United bobo kono so ya nanka o manya prepare wo mane pa mo bobo kono betuma wie ama abrante for the Matthias Stall aba Besia kind Taba Manchester United Bobokono, over the 2 offers are called Bermunchin Petty Farritate, and you Queen from Manchester United Bobokono, and a paying Comatricious with Tobacoso between Manchester United Bobokono, and of a Bronte for the Matthias Tall Junior Passer, Manchester United and Petty Foot pushing further, Bermunchin Petty for Betiasia, Amam Baba Besia kind, and so Taba Manchester United Bobokono, Nadinia Nessa, Bermunchin Petty Fossa, or loan deal plus obligation to buy, and that's who just got outright. At the Bermunchin Bobokono and Sana, or Matuaja Bronte for the Matthias Tall, some Omeseka so and Fabao, and Manchester United and Petty Fossa Derby. Omontimen take his risk, a Belka Bermunchin Petty for, and into loan deal plus option to buy. Bermunchin Petty Fossa Bede, and yet there's some Obobechatum, and Tiashas Manchester United Bobokono, and Koma, and none pay, woman are Bronte for the Matthias Tall, Edino, Sammy Patrol, addresses Sabi Betuma, I'm a master to my contact Bermunchin Bobokono, sir, 1 million trust enough, and the Bermunchin Petty for panel, Omutimia, and from a Bermunchin Bobokono, a Bronte for the Matthias Tall, MSK, and from a Manchester United Bobo could also report and on a pay a free Manchester United Bobo could have from Australia as for the Panano and a main front to the Manchester United Bobo Kono Nanka almost terrible sir and Cabronte for the Christopher Lani Kuku Matthias Tall Dene Enya Comota Bronte the bar Naswa Promosa inquiries our Chelsea Bobo Kudino Chelsea and putting for a loan deal plus obligation to buy and I said Jessica £60 million and standard bonuses above the PSO no matter Bronte for the Christopher Lani Kuku. I'm a planter on Abesia Kent about Manchester United. Manchester United and Petty Football Kumomusik Bede, and yet there's a start to it. Yabay and Nitiano, or Motomonetiason, and to say, I'm more focused no planter for the Matthias Tall Deno. So, some Matthias Tall Deno, and also went to go through there. Manchester United Bobokono, ebe focus on the current squad of Monafe, one of the year season, Nabi Pierce to about Manchester United Bobokono. Say, Oko Manchester United Bobokono, Attack now already did Rasmus Hoyland, a Bronte did Joshua Zassi, Robos, a Fali Hantro Canacho Ferrara, and of a Bronte for the Mad Diallo way, and the attackers Omoha, already did Rupin Aborim. Every 2 years season, now we will start Bronte for the Joshua Zassi, and your Bronte did Rasmus Hoyland, me Patrosel 2 players no, Upper Premier League Gosa, Bishop of Metamapo, Edema Manchester United Bobo Kunia 5 goals, 2 attackers way, our Premier League Joshua Zassi, and your Bronte for Rasmus Hoyland, me Patro 5 goals, and Metamasha, our Premier League and so Taba Manchester United Bobo Kuno, Dr. Casa already did Rupin Philippa Borima Cass, you're setting up to fail, a yampa. Some Rupin Amorim and Penfoy Saturday is on Felina for Pomona, our Manchester United Bobo Kunimutaneka, a free Manchester United Bobo Kono, a from Australia, that's what they pardon pay, young one to my sword to the so, me patron that shooting could also get the Sunday bar live on Sompa 93.1, and I was so good with me patron ye through her, now yet to my cock, to make a car, and some some from a lot of your stories never, young coach Chelsea Bobo Kunaswaya, near queer to make a car, and what Chelsea Bobo could to Chelsea Bobo Kunaswaya, a Bronte for the Kanichuku Meka Chibweze, and Swako could do Dortmund, a Bronte the Quack in Americas, at him, about Borussia Dortmund Bobo Kunin, me patro Borussia Dortmund penny for, and it Chelsea Bobo could sweat my striking deal. I'm a loan deal plus option to buy. So Borussia Dortmund Bobo Kono, some Bronte set 8 million reachable goals. No more person need near permanent. One betcha more than £40 million, and a demo Chelsea Bobo Kunafe, a Bronte for the Kanichuku Meka Chibweze, at the Penny Kratas Nafe, with my sign permanent deal at about Borussia Dortmund Bobo Kono, a Bronte me patro me front to the a lot of clubs and a buyer, Naso Swan Kube Bilbesia Kain, at him, I'm a Borussia Dortmund Bobo Kuniti Chelsea in penny for, or Matia Brontia, your friend Kanichuku Meka, Uncle Sakain, and from a Borussia Dortmund Bobo Kunitina, the Medicas Nibetuma Toja, I'm a Borussia Dortmund penny for to confirm, and you can claim a patron pay, and also Bana Chelsea Bobo Kunaswaya, a Bronte for the Kanichuku Meka Econo, and I'm penny first okay, Omokofa Krana, your friend Andres Santos, Ubucha the Son Cobolon deal, and from a Strasbourg Bobo Kono, now Academy Sakain, and from a Chelsea Bobo Kono, Chelsea in penny for the watching you know, a basic derby, I was according to be stay, I was Strasbourg na fay, what to be mature, derby, and first Yankofa Kradimra. no be say kan informa Chelsea bobo kunti mwache nya dey say final decision no enso etuma take place in tiam ya to be na wi I expect us the final decision no ebetuma take place come na fei abrante for the Andres Santos wo ball anaso ko Chelsea mpedi for and decision no mu take na be bia so etuma ko etuma Chelsea bobo kuno entade kakra no pai e free Chelsea bobo kuno ba so ya enso de ba already to the criminality Enzo Baraska papa ne manager de Chelsea bobo kuno or demand sign say be ya company for one winger and that's one striker and for them no boosted attack no and maybe Bianco informa Chelsea bobo no Chelsea mpedi for to Chelsea to say options for bo o ma catch already did Enzo Baraska say in the meantime this is a party me patron use the same squad or one or use sa squad na and ma season in could we if so use this is the way at their study options for more wingers and strikers I would do o mo timi attack to muntina mi atom na so mo sample play away ebetuma fit into the schemes of your Chelsea bobo kona na me atom na sesi so no mo the star player that ba na wa bebe sia kan tema Chelsea bobo kuni to a response at Chelsea mpedi football already thing and Enzo Baraska say o mo use the rest of the season to assess quality strikers and of wingers so mo person mo do ba na bi piasom etuma kweso tema Chelsea bobo kuni tade kakra wa dorman patron features bobo kona e fro ba so ya enso ba no pai ye nwatuma so tema bo yetuma tede so live on Sompa 93.1 with Facebook us now follow now channel to message the ba Sompa TV e YouTube also now subscribe so tema na fe ya yetuma no enso tema we yetuma tede so abrante for the benchual enso e play was kan Ade Chelsea bobo kono na benchual be pacho de tede say ono so na obey the medicals ade ma Crystal Palace bobo kono ono already tede Thomas Tuchel manager ade ma the English national team Kotasi team come am already tede Thomas Tuchel catch Brantia ya for the benchual say ono ne setup so benya biura just for obomoten start say onya biabo onya minutes and stand me pacho tima consider say what did ba na fe ono so tima be sia kan ade ma English national team no enter Brantia consider na mame fanto de say the tenye urabo abrante the dealer all sign also tema Crystal Palace bobo kuna Chelsea mpedi for the catch no when be trebu bida for Crystal Palace also fadiaka na abrante for the benchual wakoko bolon deal in the meantime for the rest of the season edema Crystal Palace bobo kuna na fenyami atuna season so ya we be abrante for the benchual befa na be biasom etuma kwetama Chelsea bobo kuna tade kakra no pano so ba na Chelsea mpedi for me patro according to report no pebe say kapata say already thing and Lawrence Stewart and the co-sporting director Oma catch already did Enzo Baraska say nyami atom necessary neswa omo person top quality striker den ba between Abrante for the Victor Jokeres or say Academy Sporting CP and of Victor James Osimhen omo person dimu bako ba in the meantime no omo pepro mo e wa transfer with the so en ko fa play be for them and you kakra the features bobo kuroma so ye enso de ba ye waduma e de amamu ye tuma te so ba so na mpede fa confirm at the already to the house data flicks already to the house and flick young coffee player be ma we okay or run so you okay or best stay with the current squad no fe what I get to kama ama be pia straight back way at the ama bass bobo couldn't take a car and on a penisel bar now me patrol rum as was some from already to the Vicente Gen company employ to run for the Vicente company manager Adima Bayamunchi the Bobo Kono, Bayamunchi and Penny Fakacha the say, a Brante for the Batai style, Diano, a bit my impossible, sir, Brante the best day, I will Bayamunchi Bobo Kono run his okay, my jet to Mr. Brante this day, I will Bayamunchi Bobo Kono, mean no problem, no mom, sir, company for bit more float up Brantana, and can anybody know, so when your replacement, Biadenti, and I'll pass your two Brante the thing, and so the Matai style Manico, and also a Brante for the Hurricane of other players, no, or bet me, I'm a met my Bokama, our Matak, problem to Abrante for the Matai style. Bayamunchi mpedi for betimi eta krana manako na bibia so etuma kwe etim ama Bayamunchi bobo kuni tare kakra efri Bayamunchi bobo kuno maswe ya enso de ba ye waduma etim ama mo ye tuma tede so ye da so tin kuda so na Abrante for the Hurricane address eye player o se kan de Bayamunchi bobo kuno wonim se Hurricane me patro German Bundesliga no wa bo 50 games na 50 games wa bono wa 55 goals and etama Bayamunchi bobo kuno sensa o make it debut enso edeba Bayern Chiribobo kono ewo German Bundesliga mu ntuanye kakra eno no pene so ba ye nwatuma ete amamu ye tuma tere so ensema wuto bebre na eba uko ye ju Febobo kono so ya abrante fe Lloyd Kelly eye player osia kan teba Newcastle United bobo kono already tene Cristiano Quintoli awie abrante fe Lloyd Kelly enso ye the medicals e de ma ju Febobo kono oba besia kan enso teba ju Febobo kono kama na fe enema so teba kwe ede amaju Fentu bobo kono tuanye kakra eno no pene so ba na urobo ju Febobo kono so ya wamoso mochina options awoto bo pe e was central defense wono enema nkoye fama ju Febobo kono sese mi patro de bakwa omo peso mo yene se on peso mo ni esiblo bobo kono so timitase no bu din komase de bia abrante fere tomori fikayo enka omo sabe tobaka no every juve na fa abrante na nasa omo sabe tobaka no every esiblo bobo kono ababesi akan enso tamatu Fentu bobo kono tora adi tere Cristiano Quintoli mi patro djuma no onyanwe chase pressure da so ho also players odomo pano also odomo pana fe already tiri tego mota de puatuma enso de matu Febobo kono tare kakra eno no pano so eba ye watuma so teba mo ye tuma tere so already tiri Giovanni Mana enso Sporting director de Napoli bobo kono papa no oye tuma padi nyane sa abrante fen Alain Sen-Mazimi player ono so osia kan ewo Saudi Arabia Pro League mo wonsa abrante we no osia kan adema Newcastle United bobo kono ani ebe fa ne dia abrante de koye sese be patron Napoli bobo kono pesa omo dia abrante de ba enti nkomodi de koso se de bi abrante fen Alain Sen-Mazimi enso betuma bana fe wababesia kan enso temana poli bobo kono etwenya kakra no pai eno so ba ye wadwuma edim abamu ye tumatere so me pato yenku anime already tennis Sergio Ramos gasa kamasa tukui todo no fe de Sergio Ramos aye former captain de Baru Yelma bobo kono ono so etuma Romo Mexico Rayados bobo kono no okwa kwesi kan edema Rayados ewo Mexico already tennis Sergio Ramos obeje 4 million euros 1 year contract no be sign edema Rayados bobo kono enso Conti and you kakra if you already to the Sergio Ramos and Frida so here at the Eba already doing and a Godfrey Moncada and already to the Zlatan Ibrahimovic and already to the Jorge Augustino Paulo Mendes to the Jorge Mendes or no agent and some at the Brante for the Yao Phyllis me patron commodity Diego Sua Coso a similar pity for try to convince Chelsea and pity for the bear a Brante for the Yao Phyllis a similar Bobo Kuromo Sabe to Macanafe a Brante Ababesia Kai enso de ama ye Chelsea bobo kono na so ababesia Kai edema AC Milan bobo kono enti mpedifo go so mutin komo abrante fere yawo fele se on stay wo Premier League mo nemo mpachom oberuam no kwakosia Kai dema AC Milan bobo kono se de bia som ebetuma ko etema abrante a ye fere yawo soza fele sekwara todo na fere yawo fele wosia Kai edim ama Chelsea bobo kono tade kakra efi Chelsea bobo kono fro baso ye enso de ba ye wadwuma edim ama mo ye tuma tere so na akwane fene ya Christian Beraki reporter no pabese ka patese ono so Fiorentina bobo kono epaso bo cha brante no amaneko na fe Beraki straight ba kosi akan ete amakra wo Fiorentina kakra eno no pano so ba ye nwatuma ete ba bo ye tuma tere so live on Sompa 93.1 ya da so tinkuna so den so de ba bibia so ebetuma ko enya sem keto kwana already to the take mota se mi pacho se uram enso ewe ye Juve bobo konima wo so hu sampa abrante fene Dusan Vlahovic masa we player nanya prepare after sebeto just Juve mpere fo so bo cha de kwan emane kora abrante nanya prepare why not just obey stay na fe what must cement the place even so be kokra obehwe ama the season so anasa the contract this way to back the way and stand with team free Juve bobo konimo no kwakosi akan tabakra front ora and the take motor parts we delighted say when abrante the thing and it Dusan Vlahovic say me pacho with my reignite the form no ready so to deliver Edema Juve bobo kono we a very important player Edema Juve bobo kono no yasaba already to the Thiago Motta manager Edema Juve bobo kono we ba bontain no pay and so at the abetuja and 70 dollars obedefo aye ready ye babedin komo what as some to be pay and no pay and some go pro so nya some get talk ye babedin komo Also, their fan to Adorma, what Dennis Sompa 93.1. Our Facebook, the snow, follow now, share Sompa TV, our YouTube, also, now subscribers, so Dame, come on, Nabi Piam, at me, I can tabby for her, yeah, Baby Tin, come on, Nami Patro Cloud Internet. I want to call me Patro office, or we feel her, or person with the quality internet. I'm a Patro connectivity, no, I fast. I bet my bow, I'm a Juma Timono, and you met my quay Tabawa, a cloud internet to be Patro Pomatin, then no more encoding, come on, and Nabi Piam. Also etama cloud internet me patrol promocha kwaya woman love FM abro stand the tin twedimu our top high me patrol the same build na kuma woman rural bank e woman no ho na be cloud internet nti wadoroma o bomata for mo number no na no matin komo e ba no quality internet awdi kofie wo de ba office wo na me patrol connected to every department wo de any cloud internet me patrol ba no hotspot deployment woman the best e wo Ghana ha enti edo mo anya juma na me ka trust be piasom ebetuma kwe enso tamante ho cloud internet de ma say mo bo juma pa anya sam ketwa kra na abedwafo anti de ni komo na yanto adwuma de so akomia wa ha wo fa di kaja akomia want to say bibia bokọ de e free enra bano de ma boto pa anya sam ketwa kra bishop won ye bibia bokọ
good morning
Apostle Bibia Boko. Oh, Yade Nyame ase. Life must move on. Okay. One day born, one day gone. Okay. Messiah yeni komo yi.
Ma yencha
tiefo. Uni obi acha no man you coach now aba about 13 matches or 14.
Oh, what the man nwie owia no what the what say? What the owia? Why? Owia. But two strikers pass at this time of the season. Now who should 5 goals? Okay. It who further and better particulars no. Okay. Messiah any come on.
And I know Pama who's a Ryan Gavinbeck statistics. They have 20 times so. Say Gavinbeck, just say take ons.
Sit off.
Hey,
right card. Because we are here,
the league is getting interesting. Now, getting interesting in maybe so for Takakra.
Okay.
Because results are very important. And I think this January transfer window will prove it to be one of the most important transfer windows for every single club due to how competitive are various leagues in the CTIA. But Ocheke the English Premier League competitiveness needs the top 4 so, which is Liverpool, Arsenal, Nottingham Forest. Na Arsenal, Man City, Chelsea, who enters into the top 4. But when it comes to the proper title race now, when we say Arsenal, any Liverpool, Nottingham Forest, they mention them percent. I know their resource is very good.
Okay.
Because in your Brighton and Hove Albion are all share Nottingham Forest by 5 goals. That is the beauty of the English Premier League. Brighton and Hove Albion share Nottingham Forest by 5 goals to 0. A week later, Yababinya Nottingham Forest are on Nababesha Brighton and Hove Albion by 7 goals to 0. Bournemouth share Nottingham Forest by 5 goals to 0. Anna Nottingham Abeche Brighton actually by 7 goals. That means -5 was our Benya +2 within a week time. And this is what makes the English Premier League an unpredictable league. But an unpredictable league when it comes to resource. But not an unpredictable league when it comes to who is going to win the league title at the end of the season. That is how I've seen it. Unpredictable. Say about resources, say where we are. You can't predict what will come out. Anything can happen. Fulham beat Liverpool 1-0. Manchester United they lose to Crystal Palace by 2 goals to back-to-back. It means for a long period of time. Liverpool and Manchester United akobo draw 2-2. Obia expectation kasa draw no crab. Unpredictable. But league na yebo ni say me no mienu tia no na ye betima predict say between Arsenal and Liverpool. Baako and Ebeje. We can predict who wins them. The last few seasons in United because Man City be league. We predicted it happens. City will win it.
And would you say a straight fight between Arsenal?
Assistance, a straight fight between Arsenal and Liverpool.
Espirito Santo who?
Me say a straight fight between Arsenal and Liverpool. in this particular contest. That is the straight fight. And Liverpool, Yanyoma be Arsenal no be. Liverpool, let me find the ways and means to win games from the bench. Arsenal struggles with that when the going gets tough. Liverpool, for example, the other game Darwin Nunes especially late 2 goals. Yes, against Brentford. Liverpool really struggled in that game. So that particular game, they really struggled. But there was Darwin Nunes who came from the bench, and Team Biabeji Liga players I did 2 years. These are the players. For example, when Chelsea was winning the league in 16-17, I think there was Michi Bashwai. Free bench bar. Obian Mr. Bashwai morning shed the Nisro. But Bashwai, baby, Anna gave him one day. Chelsea baby need 2-1. Another Bashwai in the General Prebo on the Atunet. So the people you don't think about, or man was Zumi, so Mokran never carry the day in the amount. At the end of the day, when you want to win the league, these are the people that comes into the discussion in terms of scoring important goals. And I think Liverpool is having that. Arsenal, every transfer market, Mr. Nkomo pe Matthias Tel Manaba. Because almost striking issues no show. Yes, I agree. Their striking issues is a problem no. Say Arsenal Benya Matthias Tel on loan with an obligation to buy and an option to buy, triggering some options that they should go in for that deal. Because Matthias Tel can play across all the positions or any morning in Martinelli, medical catching higher na mekan say Martinelli only player in the G League. The standard ni srosa. Martinelli does not have the X factor to win you the league. You are not there. Wow. Yes, because Liverpool Luis Diaz. Liverpool Kodigapo. Liverpool Mohamed Salah. Liverpool wingers or Diomo Yeduma no. Liverpool wingers are or Diomo Yeduma no. It is if you are competing with Liverpool to win the league. Later, I don't think say Martinelli could be a cut for some of these things that happen. But Unya Matthias Tel does not instantly improve Arsenal, but he gives you another option as a winger, another option as an attacker, or even a forward. Obet me aboa. Ama resource no. Emuye den obet me free bench baby. Edi ama amani obet me akoye. Onu unkofa mabubo mudi with Liverpool ni there, but I think he's on the path to do these things. Adena Mohamed Salah na Habibi. Onya honko Habibi contract ni wu akọ. Habibi, o contract ni wa ko Saudi Arabia ko jiska no. Ko Saudi Arabia e ko jiska because o tete dodo. This is just by the way. But I think whatever Mohamed Salah is doing in the Premier League or cementing his status as one of the greatest players to play in the English Premier League. One of the greatest. One of the greatest. One of the greatest.
But to also now
one
you can
to have ever played the Premier League. And see, and when I try Frank Lampard, let me say Chelsea for Kokono, Eboboba, but he deserves it from where he found himself. Any baby or coachini ya or kofa ya kochana who de buy. The difference between Mo Salah and a Hurricane is a Hurricane and Timmy trophies. But Mo Salah had trophies not what was with the goods, and he's becoming influential. Say, Emuyadi, she can go no say. Maybe or picking the spot. The commentator said he has already picked his spot. Or he has already picked his spot and I'm more than it. And we're grown himself to become a player, even on his bad day, where overall performance is no good. He proved to be influential in their results. Baby, a results now. Everyone is a performance, and at the end of the day, who's a Mosala and who game the Soprano? He made sure say Liverpool results for me at the end of the match. No, he's there. Ballon d'Or no issues as I say Bobana Salah for Ballon d'Or. I don't need the more thing. They tell more thing.
It's almost say between Salah and Rafinha.
Unless say Liverpool wins the Champions League, Mo Salah cannot win the Ballon d'Or. Unless
say Liverpool
wins the Champions League, Mo Salah cannot win the Ballon d'Or.
And this season, so yes, our Club World Cup.
Yes, our Club World Cup. It is baby I didn't know. Emu eden. Oba kasa won chairman kasa onko. Emu eden pa. But I think he's in the right path, going to wherever he wants to go. Italian Serie A my AC Milan Inter Milan. In the past 2 games, AC Milan actually say omo close the gap in terms of match results between Omoni and Inter Milan. Inter Milan edi omo sabe 2 AC Milan so. Ano mushi omo bia na 2-0. 1-0, 3-0. But in the last 2 games, first of all, a very important trophy in the Supercoppa di Italiano. Omashe Inter Milan aje. Ano maba league mu. Any Inter Milan abebo 1-1. Gradually, feel last season one man. Omu close the gap in terms of match results. But baby, why den dia mo no? You closing the gap when it comes to the league format or the league run. On betima bon, I share a lot of games. Closing the gap on Inter Milan. And you may set the difference near say Inter Milan are consistent. And a more quality in depth.
Okay.
And they have a quality coach. Consistency, quality in depth, and quality coach. It player every team more player be over shame no quality near pay. And now me enjoy Benjamin Parava so well.
Benjamin.
Obo game no mama who say yes. He was so good in the game and run. But say Inter Milan players in United fit with Chiroma, Bastoni, Stefan Di Vrij, Francesco Acerbi.
Yeah.
But the Benjamin Pavard be performance or done. When Benjamin Pavard is not there, and Adam Fismus also one chain, who comes in? Damien. But AC Milan, a close gap no with UC Fofana in terms of match results. Tijani Renders, these guys they are giving you results.
Yeah.
But the level of consistency, when a squad depth, it play a crucial role, which is where AC Milan is lacking. I know someone of Santiago Jimenez the neighbor.
Yeah,
but improve the attack so well. But I think it's going to take a little bit of time for them to move from match results to being competitive in the league and consistent with Inter Milan. I'll be happy to still have a Milan kind of competition when it comes to who wins the league. Juventus they will be on draw on the door. By Napoli a couple draw Enra. It gives Inter Milan opportunity, but Inter Milan also near AC Milan board draw. But I think getting crucial away points for Antonio Conte. Maybe on Namnes also for Alain Saint-Maximin. He's ready to do something at the end of the day to help Napoli.
Yo, me that say yes. Akomiana yatin kano Joy Cam roofing company limited etayechina no pay. Me say so west wudane we no dulentla and fan ko be bia fakoma Joy Cam roofing company limited na omomo wudane suma. If it's omo na boda so a bibia to dine bill. What I say and from abo and from a jump on to do bo still Joy Cam need that's your Joy Cam. Almost a done we is safe and so be a new and fat down home and cofa problem be and farm home. What I say now almost chance the bow down so message saying so to no one casa el road home to the beautiful one chance no na you need come according to your color open and your debate boss at the amount open Euro tars and open self lock open IBR open MSL open standard sheet and accessories nina uberem Joy Cam roofing company limited say the Ghana for see boom abaso kwemo fast to bujuba no and nyasem keto akra udra kra ubo ye chakwan kaswa ubo ye chakwan kumase ubo ye chakwan tachiman sunyane tamale boga wa Kumasi de was Sokoban and Pame, Yadi police station, the teacher, and it Joy Cam, ending comma 0551 00 9000 0551 00 9000. Aya homa betra friend Joy Cam. Now the Joy Cam roofing company limited the team come now what the advance no so abaka pa na sanketwa na me pacho yem fan to body Mr Bishop eba one year ba be din come na what the name bebre ana e dia good anim enti me catch us bomote sa won sabet maka yas toothpaste brush ni bi na be pacho and say yas toothpaste wo de you should be now you should be aware was still paste na mo je for no ba the more na we use boss a problem ni nyina no ebe yi e de free ho boss o se echi dam no ebe dendenden ebe bo was no ban na wo da dance enso aba ye wo yas total care to paste e ho and afa ba the brush wo do so a ye diri nyina bi aba enkra no ye wo prince ye wo princess ye wo monarch ye wo duke ye wo duchess ana ye wo kidi toothbrush ni nyina no ye de bia panti wadaroba bomote se onsa ebe tuma kabina fa wo ama o abofra no eba no say toothpaste eba no brush wo de wo choice yas it yas de omo heavy o wo mo bo adwuma pa wo bia dwuma to say yas products no eno na ye conducive for Africans into the use be na what dance no na so e de beba o memu ba bia ye ton provision enema nyina wo kwa won sabe kan yas ne products ne bi eba no toothbrush and afa eba no toothpaste awodo a won sa ebe ka bi na what ma kwa ko use now use wa one cast na what dance no so ebe ba ka manti yanko da fe yani bishop atapo kunkodin komo na no pay ensema wɔde agu apono so nkrata gu n'anim no wɔma yɛ further and better particulars bishop oni mframa ma wona wo mframa kwadem
a very special happy birthday to Nana Adwoa Depa. Nana Adwoa, you wish you happy birthday. Many more of us
Akomia.
Nana Adwoa, you wish you happy birthday.
Akomia, why are you see parliament?
We love you, Nana Adwoa. We do love you.
Join your parents. Yes, someone wish you happy birthday. Samson at 7:30 GH.
Honorable member. Honorable member Messiah. Manin Kanasem.
Man, happy birthday. 7:30 GH. Happy birthday. Case number 1. Mathis Tel. Avant-garde. Over 2.
Oh, coin. Over 2.
Rasmus Højlund. Striker for Manchester United. In 13 games. Or 0 goals.
13 games.
0. Joshua Zexi. Impact Zexi. Sexy Zexi. 0 goals in 11 games.
The last 11 games.
Manchester United are pushing for Mathis Tel, who has 0 goals in the last 14 games.
Oh!
Iriyebi. Neriyebi. So what I say? Another China, Ruben Amorim. Tactical 3-4-3, back to tweak, all 4 down, double pivot, cross, and in 13 games, over 14 points. Out of 39, over 14. We am far more black. What kills my soul? And they said this boy has potential. Everybody knows. Ofi France about Bayern Munich. Mathis Tel ni movement obi in control. But he is not an established first team player. Oya Krakatwa. I feel no fefe. Tottenham they play na Conny Hall Germany. The agent here there papa.
Or rejected.
Chelsea penno. Omu movie. Manchester United penno. And then Arsenal also penno. Look. People should
almost in the prospect and was
wrong. I accept. Or potential. But January Manchester United didn't have potential. January, Manchester United in here, the transformational prowess of Bruno Fernandes. They were attacking as a signing. Liverpool here, almost sign Pepe. But little kid, almost an opportunistic signing. Luis Suarez came to transform Liverpool. Opportunistic, Virgil van Dijk came to transform Liverpool. Opportunistic, Daniel Sturridge. Opportunistic, Felipe Coutinho. When we know players are Liverpool for January. Yabo Bruno Fernandes team. And to say per player B, I'm an abesi sound shebra a Mathis Tel.
They are available for now.
Availability plays a key role. And Winton could be a call. Say or Samanum na yepe striker. You should be a beja where Mathis Tel say Gyokere so say a call. And by force me the call. Inti came Mr. Wa. Asem no baby I don't see why with these numbers you do that. Rashford need the bar and amuma nimbobi. Now, the engine tomb say John Duran Koyen. Omu here an established player. Always trusting John Duran. But we be or baby or one. Let's give him a new environment and see if Rashford beats Master Sambibia. But they have a body in place. Rashford no dey occur. He started so well. He's gone. But with the Mathis Tel neighbor, with this kind of performance, any numbers our players will. M1. 2. Nico O'Reilly. Chelsea per Nico O'Reilly.
Yeah.
Chelsea per Chelsea. Omu O'Reilly so player wo mu team.
Say omode fa kupa mo ne fire. Only somebody we so bad.
A bit me afa.
Befa.
It will be any the eba. As we break on the crack. Inti K. Manchester City say they've knocked back the inquiry. Omo to akra ni this Chelsea this ka boni bi e be dada o. Ama Chelsea so ayo so omo de omo ni ehwe be foforo. No makwa kope bi. No omo de abehwem. Ni Manchester City asem ne ye mesire kakra ni say omo oska. Hedo mutu afọ Mamush.
Yeah.
Hedo mutu afọ Victor Reis. Hedo mutu afọ Kushner. Okay. Omo pe Cambiaso. Juventus elbow mo bo kese because Juventus omo nyeska.
75.
And now omudi omani eko Porto say Barca B La Masia former midfielder be or Nico Gonzalez. O here season the ball or ball Edma Porto e so ani onyandru ho amam for the ball na Nico Gonzalez obetima court say Sergio Busquets style ni bi.
Yeah.
And the yemfa nembra. Player be a auto ni bia no. Fashion trim say. Player ya me penny. Okay. Say me nyana no ba be bomb team na. Sama. Obibisa no say ojina he because Rodri beba.
Yeah.
Rodri ba automatically that person will go to the bench. In the pecking order, Rodri be number 1, Kovacic number 2, now wa be number 3. Nti eno so eka ho bi. Nti na Gonzalez our Porto. Manchester City ene ne di nkomo. Ebisa no questions 1 or 2 bi. Say yenye ne den. Gonzalez ne de no. Omo ne release clause is 60 million euros.
Nico Gonzalez.
Yes. But Manchester City person omo ye negotiations no mutua about 40 million. Send ye be ya release clause no mo nko trigger because so trigger so utua sika ni na lump sum. There cost wo ho no. Another transfer story here Mr. Pai Axel Disasi in Chelsea. Chelsea and the Tottenham agree a deal on loan, no option to buy. Tottenham assigned Kevin Danso because Dragusin Swepra.
Yeah.
I think I make Van der Feen about Intina Wayemre. Nemum Omo here say Disasi and Tottenham, Disasi is on Tottenham. Because on Disasi no on Aston Villa our agreement.
Yeah.
Chelsea who Aston Villa say omo no compete for top 4.
So with Jana Manekwa, Yao Felix no so per se Aston Debbie Chelsea Debbie.
That's one of the things happening now. Emma Sem no AS3. Enra the Arsenal here a statement win.
Statement.
Yes, of course. Forget about the to Manchester City. Omo beto so we prepare. Manchester City got to Liverpool so omo team no mo show omo Anfield. Here na Liverpool for na prepare. Omo ko omo show omo 4-1. Nti nessa Arsenal achi Manchester City show ma. E ma obi antebe bi na e areho me enya mareho. Arsenal kromasa. And one also mutimi hamo mo be 6.
6.
Oh, Manchester City omo de ya wa she teams na ni ase o. Omo di league for Arsenal. Omo di league for Liverpool. Oh, so I mean Liverpool team. So omo call Etihad name bi. So omo win order in the Premier League since the Pep buy. Omo akoshe in the Champions League. Na so omo call na efuni ni bia. Omo bo mo be 5. Salah Nkwama hat-trick. They said they are Manchester United.
Yeah.
Bomb heavy. It was a good game for all reasons. Arsenal controlled the game with Partey and Declan Rice. They were superb. So under 5 minutes, Arsenal ako slide the aje boashe. But also the moji aka have time to train. So clearly Arsenal sat down also. Now, and some now cover Miles Lewis Kelly on the MS kakra say, okay. The hemisphere. Declan Rice said they would have to hunt down Liverpool.
Yeah.
Yes, they have to. It's the only way.
So they will keep on pushing.
No, look, if they don't push, how would you catch them? Because Liverpool are then baby Gina power back on the say. Or more money or mobile league. They've not lost to anybody. Almost share Chelsea. Almost share Manchester City. Out of 6 points, almost you 4 if you Manchester United. Almost share Tottenham. Almost share Aston Villa. The only black sheep is Nottingham Forest. I'll imagine 4 points every Liverpool. And even with that, they are still ahead of them. Young Kemfua, Arsenal would have to go to Anfield and beat Liverpool there to win the league. Into the minute Rice, you'd have to hunt them. Because someone hunt here, a 6 points. On next match on Bebon against Everton. Should Liverpool win, they restore it to 9.
Okay.
Do you know what is more? Yabo FA Cup na wie no. Yembe ball league no. So Liverpool win it Thursday against Aston Villa. On the night against Tottenham for Carabao Cup final. Liverpool qualifier. Let's look I will say Omubo Aston Villa on the 19th. Saturday Arsenal and boy. Liverpool could have a game in hand. Normally the Arsenal 12 points. Arsenal could have a game in hand of Liverpool. Normally they 12 points if they win their next 2 away games, which could be Everton and Aston Villa. And Saka no Makobo Wolves match. No? So that is the situation. Issue number 1: stay humble, stay humble. Yebekai, Holland, any Ateta, Ewa Etihado. We support the BYN this is stay humble. Akrabisu crack cardboard, stay humble. Necessary. Number 2, Gabriel. And then the two Ewa Hono. Okay, or so. Yes, share 1-0 now. No could Nelly Haaland and Nimia Kai first leg or the ball and the corner. Yeah, or could you Nimia Shamu Yashamu. And then the third case, which for me was the best of it all, Miles Lewis Kelly. What a talent! What a talent!
With from nowhere.
What a talent!
Arsenal quality.
Come crowd on the ball into the 91st. So that's my sabon. It's okay. It's been a good weekend for Arsenal. Okay, that indeed was a statement win.
Yo, but that's a cool. Kulu Ghana Limited, SM fan to and him say, we patch on 2 capsules new jasso, and no, wow, cabin she was Johnson a flow, abra, 1 cassa won't be in control. But mother someone submit to my count 2 capsules, no nabu Bobby, na be Biabeque, also at the amount, and after a bought prostate no and buying Emma and say what I sent so no problem with prostate anymore. No bomber someone submit to my car, 2 capsules, no way to no ball, na be Biabeque, also the mamma, oh yeah, Bema, what I see, we now one thing, and will remember you, after where would Jones are what you, 2 capsules may come for the amount. Mr. Kill no see a member draw, while I am one pem, Bema and Yabido no never ball, a Bema was what I wanted there. What has in libido no ever form when Mr. Kill capsules sleeping out no ma a bay sa problem in the through ni koto j usisi Mr. Kill no and I may come for the baby biasa bema yabino me never dance your bra Araba Bazin as your tablet I may come for them mano or bar bosumeswa no one problem bebre why I see chow intimi so someone can someone in the American what I say bomode say Araba Bazin on sabet makabi or baswa would paswa ubo say one more denosu from oba one echo from our empasso and say until the bema ne be skills are bibia na so all responded until bomote say Araba Bazin na won sabet makabi wo de no be bubobi na fa adanse eso ebra eye Kulu Ghana Limited wo mu no mo dabajas no e na mabobo so deba no udru Kolenak Danny Heba Misty Heba Blazer require afa panacea na urem ewo NNA and Freddie Mens and baby to no piano would your car also pe Kulu Ghana Limited or products libi or Sabe Cabina Fay would you show how far open do to 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 Yahoma Obetuma Fre Kulu Ghana Limited now 1 so etim komo me patcho 4G Manfi way I telecell and a my what I say me patcho for 500 Ghana cedis ebra never get 10 gig me patcho and also a free data me patcho one so kabi and no me patcho telecell for woman and my quality data now for what show how far now what data say no so abaka pa nya some to kra telecell e ban Wi-Fi solutions me patcho so for your modimo nyina no eno we a omo e dey solve with data problem nyina enso e dey amawa wan kasa uyusu wiabeka sampa masa telecell dey o ma ba ne pa so a enya some to 20 sa wo pe Wi-Fi na so pe data me patcho e for long time o betuma use na fei onyema wo ye nyina wo betumi dia ya me patcho medi bako emra wutim eno ane telecell you heavy or budget pa where you unbeatable price for only 500 Ghana cedis now for what 10 gigabyte free data now they show how far and no 4G Manfi tibi patcho any telecell enhwimom now for mon fa your kono your donko a woni di agro akotokrom enkasoda telecell omo ye heavy omo budget pa omo data ne de very sharp yankoda for any apostle any come apostle good morning.
Good morning.
Some people are called.
Oh yes,
and then some people,
so
some people, you need come on.
Yeah, so the Soweto Derby is one of the biggest derbies of African continent, and Soweto Derby I saw back Ghana has in Kotoko for Egypt, Zamalek.
Awful King. Floated in there, Sabisi, and Mabasa's effort is blocked by the defenders, and Ignacio Miguel and Dortley will celebrate.
Now, I don't know this game.
Oh, given away to Mabasa! Missed! Wow.
Kaiser Chiefs goalkeeper.
There have been massive chances here in today's encounter. Great ball, by the way, out wide. Now the shot comes in, and that's the first one to really test Sipo Chain.
It is indeed.
The goalless draw in the derby since October 2017, and Mabasa can make it an opening goal here. Denied by Buma. That's a good save.
At least to try and trouble the goalkeeper.
Now Hotto. He gets it square. Wafoke! Good save from the keeper, Mabasa. Trying to set up a chance for himself. Won by Makala. Who else? There he comes. Can he get it inside? He's going to go for goal, and unconvincing from Buma.
Flight on the in and maybe bypass the Sani or bypass the for you to get it. Just make the run in front of the defender. Those are the balls that you'll be able to score.
Good turn.
Fair shot on target. Every Tatuyana Ditekwe, the left back.
Awful King. Floated in there, Sabisi, and Mabasa's effort is blocked by the defenders, and Ignacio Miguel and Dortley will celebrate. Oh, given away to Mabasa!
It was a pass to the fashion of pass.
Wow. There have been massive chances here in today's encounter. Great ball, by the way, out wide. Now the shot comes in, and that's the first one to really test Sipo Chain.
It is indeed.
The goalless draw in the derby since October 2017, and Mabasa can make it an opening goal here. Denied by Buma. That's a good save.
At least to try and trouble the goalkeeper.
Now Hotto. He gets it square. Wafoke! Good save from the keeper, Mabasa. Trying to set up a chance for himself. Won by Makala. Who else? There he comes. Can he get it inside? He's going to go for goal, and unconvincing from Buma.
Flight on the in and maybe bypass the Sani or bypass the for you to get it. Just make the run in front of the defender. Those are the balls that you'll be able to score.
Good turn from Chihuahua. That's inside, and another good shot. Sibisi, Wafoke, yes, Makopa, little ball for Hotto. It's on his left, it's saved by Buma. On target, turned around for a corner. Curler comes off the head of Maswangangi.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got
stadium circle to call has of the issue of the stadium.
Yeah,
so Kaiser Chiefs.
Chama Castle my koya advert to information centers in la
because they have to do more. So Kaiser Chiefs decided said they would do what we call pre-match activation. Niema Ombeshi Shama, so no in your stadium. This is the stadium. This is not when your stadium no. But crowd on who hold a juma no my a juma. They didn't just get a juma. So Mumami the
Kaiser automatic say Soweto dab you know.
So activation on you know. Mumami the village the Kaiser Chiefs village. Kaiser Chiefs village any Dunspoville Mall. Now I didn't Kaiser Chiefs. Almost decided say so village when I'm village in okay. Kaiser Chiefs own village in village near your headquarters.
Wow.
Bibia time in Timing going to Bibia. So what the club and the leadership of what they invited them. Someone brought to have a special feel. Almost invited supporters from all over the country representation. Senebe Okwa, who the message back on the the next day Sompa match. So this was the village. Now, village, anymore, big more. So Niomi and say players ben my favorite players ben I'm expect to say bro on that day. This was done on a Saturday before the game. So this is a crowd coming to the village. And he near see and say almost to about so what then to about say players miss and say home. 1. Ashley Dupress. 2. Dillion Solomon. 3. Zita Quinica.
Okay.
So when you find the players, remember a day before the game. How many players no play?
A day before the game.
Yes.
Game in the Baswenra and a Saturday.
Where activation towards the game.
Okay.
And the bas are how many players no extra phony. I mean fans only players no. They had a wonderful time extra phony on nice picture sessions thing count. That's one. Second aspect of the activation. Say making sure say Vodacom I sponsor. Activation in promotions ma chedie sonku edima supporters no. Now they are chedie so that's what Vodacom did. Then aside that, unveil so Vodafone gift.
Yeah.
Unveil the Toyota experience. So a Toyota any Kaiser Chiefs can boom. Toyota experience that we are a fan of Kaiser Chiefs. I saw car no so car this is a Toyota experience. And the ultra car no trim ultra now they are called social media. Who they call social media? Ma wunya kwenya say ubetimi anya a ticket for a raffle. Now almost create a competition be a ludo and it's any man. Emma, what be winning be and when you ticket na qualify for the raffle no you nipa be winning car way.
Okay.
At the end of the season.
Wow.
Then also omu year. The village no create baby I the KC coffee shop. Nti time a crowd no buy over 5,000 crowd no buy no. At that time they were selling a coffee, hot coffee. So this is a coffee shop. And the club is making money for once in making you understand Nienti or China is over much.
Towards the derby.
Towards the game. This was towards the game. Then you also had the situation where players no any fans no sir. There was a dancing skills movement between the players and the fans. And now dancing moves of the players. So that's the
players no more requesting.
Yes. So they were dancing with their supporters. Crowd before the stage. And then the most important one the issue of say the beer garden. So I'm create a beer garden for more fans and chicken. See unko paloma da. Kabo say unko paloma say sebi akoko nam no hot sa near chucha na bubra glass so that's what to give fans a memorable feel of what to expect. And the bus no Toyota crowd created a Toyota experience one Kaiser Chiefs fan na omo afrel at the same atapo bibia bokodo match no china so bowl omo money enti so ba Toyota will be special for you to come. So that's why last me can say where a event this proper event the clubs involved they don't have any event manager, they don't have marketing manager, so they don't understand these things. And then no you saw the translation pack no say
yeah
absolutely
to where mechanism
a pre-game activation omni standard yeah a management with supporter leadership there. And so they bring the supporters from across the nation Tibia Doma Kotoko supporters and Adriana supporters or Doma Adriana supporters Okuma they bring of you. So your job is to make sure that your mama can go and inform them why they should come.
And yet one region and no more concentrating every part of the country.
They pick supporters across the nation so that information can go simultaneously.
Wait, say you bet my yebi where there? You bet my yebi.
Last me, my mom experience a bit why. Me because say Sunday be a t-shirt, yedi omotu, yedi benko. I've told you. So that's what they are showing.
Okay.
And beer no 15 minutes before the game, beer in inside. They have to go and bring another beer because of the experience. So friends were coming, calling Charlie Bayan corner. There's a beer experience.
Adia omopeno it was stadium more.
Yes. And they brought 2 national top DJs. DJ Soccer and DJ Pussy, yes, with songs up supporters. So me patch say a event. If you don't say it's a match day event, any name any the interest of the somebody that will drive there, but you'll be crying all the time. So when a nipa mbesi no, it's an event. And so treating us, I don't want near man nipa penti I some ba. There should be an experience.
What mean town Kasema come from Tentini Pamra?
That is not the way to promote a game today.
Okay.
It's one leg, but please, there are many avenues you can promote a game today.
Me da say sciatica clinic. Sciatica expert. What I say 21st clinic. Expert in sciatica. Me pacho wadaroma. Sebia wonamo na otu asene twetwon usisi wo ya wa unkasa na mo abekasa wo kofom na otu asene etwetwon pa woti ya pa ewo osirenu ha no abomode se obewuram ewo 21st clinic omoye expert in sciatica what I say na sa yare we no wo mu na Africa ha Yakopon adumomo aduma chede pa wo mu de tu sa yade we nyina ase na sa de we wan hwe na wan treaty ewo ho no wan hwe na wan treaty a problem said the babono, etimi ema ububugo, utimi nya stroke, what as in Timpomode say, ubetiba room, 21st clinic. Na wakwa ju treatment no, a bad sciatica partners would do raho, say to us in a trichon, a quack sisi yo ya, unama, na I say, ukwa fafa, nas de wako muno, ninano, woman bit to me solve problems when you know dear free ho at the amount and pay what time car, room 21st clinic, a bad lab and scan service quality one, or Mashu and Awoko, a bad massage and machine treatment. 21st, one of the best. What I say, Africa, and that's a good talk. The Pacho Kumase, you were here overseas junction, you by Alpha Radio, or Boise, your court junction, Accra, your Domi Market, Sunyane, in Kwanzaa, Techiman, a home you number 21st clinic. Any in Koma 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 Yahuma Ubetuma Fre 21st clinic sciatica expert na fe unomo edin commonti at this moment of the time ya na yahumra ya ba ya beto so and some would do bebre and ya ba ya bedi won komo ya basisi.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet list, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yedumadi ayedi ani say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase wosen animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase aye tafre na permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu game eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no na ye finish scaling and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu say bi okasa etinema pampan ene ade ebagu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen wa na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down domekwa benya runabout no so na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no free Total Filling Station na yabon san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joda kopem eda memeda witini afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag bra ade enna so biem what are you going to see about Queen Wayne say? Bra, said your time about Mesha, Esia Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about Ebersoy. Really, I do this offering now. Bra, so make us a midi time about Mesha Huadansia, we are singing now Ebertiminka, 80 malaria, where drawn it time about Mesha. And you go, dear, no matter want to meet any deal. What drawn it time about Mesha? A great and your mark or bar waffle through, dear one mark for down for any aquada when you feel do you and son of the time about Mesha. adwene hwese wako hospital anasa lab amwo hu se wo agyidie malaria bi ansa
ayo se time me TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebetua
ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers
any herbal shop to do na mu
FDA agi edwadue nkratoi atom
abofraka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo mi se abofraka to wanya 2 years akada ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla be abofraka to yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti kame ho ne ko hede wo bia expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be sebo abofra ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be sebo abofra na wo secret kura no anything
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret.
Na dia na ye.
Na me yetua na ma nka e wo fom. Ana police mi di one dance say me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no a boosting immune system ama say me yetua na mente bre. Mitimi di kama ama wo ka wo dum so ekoso.
Me kura so me ta yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko.
Eye je ne koso we.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. Apim for any kola mundi if you do me enom. FDA adjudged katwe atu.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows. Cause our grit be the future. Join Ghana Grows. Just be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows. Cause say you might for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows. Ghana Grows. Ghana Grows.
Kuyayomu hekwaya ubefaswe nyejuma ana ati ejumaku a mfaso waso ewo kuyejumam eni ATVet mu eneya tuanamone fast sanwo wobusua eni wo mpatemu asetenemu bo star 718*50# na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Top Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debrel
Mamenshe time HH herbal mixture bi na wonumi ene wa tadropa eyadro se emani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwotia yare entwen yare ansan wa kwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebetwaso wono a ene the time HH herbal mixture e dia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfisia dumienu anum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso anum bi time HH herbal mixture wubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture eyadro say FDA age edwadie nkratoi atum
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wild. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Okay, Yadamase, Yadayo kakra kwa jen krato by Yatua Jubadi so at the Amamo, Ricardo Varas, Ewaha, what their fists and details in Eba. Na Yasaba Ko Manasona Yetimedim Komokaka, Nia Kwa J, in Swatraman for most details, or more Edmaye, will be a candidate, Sompa de no krotrodo ana yebedi won komo na ya mamo the realities on the ground. Just yebedi komo kama pa. Virus, I want to say. Asa why you team be say? Eh?
I am more day. And how vibrant we ne kra am about to video bi am call her or Facebook. Wa coffee na ne manage ne gina hom do mo say fa na ni ase ne wife say on e ba fi tempt na so onu aduane. Wa ti ne man ne di agro no mo sire say come the daddy. Ye dey am me hwe ne sa na asa hom about. Ntino eye
Poli, nana Poli.
Minim we ni yen kam de kakra
Francis Frimpong. Okay, yanko.
Ze we no ayi no.
Dia na woni me. Nyoma mortar na.
Oh, say more to dey say bia be no bi. Ke ka mortar nko a de anka wetima ayi.
Say aso ye area no. Ye de no.
Awo de. Da mortar kwa de ayi no bi ayi ni bi frɛ.
Sa. Yanko ene.
Ntinu ye be kwa goja yaresa ewo bo hereby medical research center na afei ye ho atimi atoyen say high blood pressure, heart pain, chronic headache, kuti ya we ya gidigide bi asa wa bre asa wani su biru ni ade ade amekanfo obo hereby medical research center enso atimi dem na no pai stroke ye tia free ho diabetes ye beti ne te infertility ni nano ye free ho enso atimi dem yakọ agakofa prekese powder enso atimi abawe no eba be boa wo ama wo nso wonyem a saa anemia ne ho ahwan atimi afiri ho ebe support immune system no o poor blood circulation eyi de afiri ho nti preka ne de se onya bi nom saa so na organ herbal bitters enso atimi abawe no wo yo ba ye bema o sexual disorders no eyi enso atimi e de afiri ho na afei pelvic inflammatory disease ahodo no eno enso atimi ayi afiri o jonso a wote yawo ni nano eyi enso atimi de afiri ho o tanyem na ase ya ye organ herbal bitters na me kamfo e de ama branches no ya tiate se okrom akra ka so a official town be hu yen kuma se adoato anumanu mpesua so no mo kranza na headquarters no enso atimi ade sheman of Adra road do ane se we frɛ 0249 76 1508 na fe 0550 191514 na fe 0257 472506 na fe watimi adi nkomo enso timi wo ho ye kwa akotwa ye bet ni ye kotwa de a na echeze eye bet we na ye ko ene eye Chelsea ni West Ham na ebo e bia wa chese from Friday no asiso aka Chelsea game no nchira nyi Chelsea ndia me kanfo bet we di amount na denti a me kanfo bet we di amount na say omo bet saver no eye ade e be boa wo ama say Chelsea na edi ama bet enso atimi agu for man na why quick no wa lock na fi wa save bet no na won so watimi nya kakra enso atimi di agu botum bet we say utwa bet no on beso obedi usike na ntu ama opportunity ama akwanya won so betimi na afonya scan bi adi terms and conditions apply, regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. No any said no man enso esiti amere ho nsem no enso ati edema sanso na me kamfo a mega cash lucky box enso ati media ma we no wo dia na sese ma fa me phone yi a me boy me dial a star 462 hash a star na fe matimi diska no tieni biem ma fa me phone no yenye exercise ni sesi a star 426 star 6 hash na fe won so watimi ahude wi anomasi ko so fa na wo dial na ba na fe watimi select one of the lucky box out of 6 na fe the amount enso watimi ahye from 5 series enso watimi ko na fe we ya na fe confirm no authorize momo transaction na fe enso watimi akọ instant results be ba se wadi o se undi yu be ba enti koso na dial o star 2 o star 426 star 6 hash na fe won so ko na ko pesike nya sa sika ni we pe ni aye ne quick ni akọ na fe cash out ahodo no ye timi akọ cash out ni ye cash out there na ye betway and ye cash out because ye ko ni akọ jiska www.betway.com.gh ye ko ni akọ pesika u twa o bet no bet na ekọ bibi ekoyie enso timi de ma ubetimi ahwe na fi automatically usika nduru babi agidi ese ye de ma wo a na won so watimi ahwe ni wayi na bibia enso timi aye kama pa ho no ne nsem kakra fi wo ba me de air2 ani mo na kura me mu ene mano e din a me de nsem e de air2 ani minuanom mo hwe na mo mpensu atemanfo no group picture mame ana se o mo ankasa so eye picture e ho mo mpema me na me de be story bi enso timi aba ye tete nsensem so mo atro proposal de akọ akoma Ghana Football Association say me say football no hun sense bi mo mo pe picture no to mfama me ba betimi adi nkomo enso etimi wo ho mentos na meni nkomo na medi nkomo de a Ghana Premier League no enso etimi ba so match week 19 no e ba so hun sensem de buburu jaba bia befa bia no wonso betimi anya bi na wonso atimi ate na say na si koye from nano fiada House of Folk share ba kuma Heart of Lions antimi ante sanso na vision mienu e ma Accra Lions enso etimi te kanu ba kun so atrema ho na nsam ne wo share ba ko e ma Asane Kotoko antimi ante Kaola United tifie share mienu Brekum Chelsea enso te kanu ba ko Mediama e share ba ko ma Legon Cities antimi ante aduana enso afọ mutuma pa fra na ya share to dia baha omo share baako e ma be United enso antimi ante sanso na uram enso ewo eye Bebiani Gold Stars a omo anhye bi e ma the defending champions enso antimi anhye bi a omo enso ekun atipenku enso timi wo ho okwa Nations tifie e ma timi fa ne Jonga Post be show e kan mienu e ma Nations enso timi baako na okwa Abrankese pa ni be he abufo so timi abaye pa sanso na okwa Dream Service a omo share mienu e ma timu a Jeffrey no ye Basake Holy Stars enso timi te kan baako a eno ene nsam kakra free Ghana Premier League ni mo ba me de air to anim ye ball match week 19 we no say na league table no enso chiti ede ho nsam ede ma do dasoro enso ye timu a Jeffrey no Kumase Asante Kotoko no e wo 34 points sanso na obenya second no e ye Bebiani Gold Stars ono enso twato a anaso toso mienu a ono so 34 points dienti Asante Kotoko dasoro ni goal difference Bebiani de cry chance Asante Kotoko Stars Asante Kotoko dasoro ni head to head eni yusu e wo Ghanaian Premier League ni ntia third no e Heart of Lions sanso na benya House of Folk otoso 4 fu benya Mediama ono so toso 5 didim sa omo we no e Kaola United Legon Cities and Accra Lions eno ene nsam kakra fi ho ba me de air to anim Rena Craft head coach e ma timu a Jeffen Accra Lions after say omu lose omu game no ojebre ene ye bonkomo say ena Craft e bon nkomo no.
Of course, very disappointed if you watch the first like 65 minutes. We have total control of the game, playing really good football, creating excellent chances, and then we just let it go. Very disappointed.
And no, and someone Rena Craft and so 20 minutes to after say omo enso etimi edi ntwo why de ho sem no e de air to anim yemfiri ho Jacob Vision akachi head coach and ma Vision na Kwaku Ajeman after say Vision di nkunim no ono enso ne ye bonkomo say e no bon nkomo no.
It's a great feeling. It's actually a very wonderful feeling. We came expecting a very tough game, and that's exactly what they gave us. We didn't expect anything less because we know that Accra Lions is very, very good. Tactically, technically, I think that they're very top. The fact that they are where they are at the moment doesn't really discount them in any way, and they've shown that today. I mean, if you look at the first half, in the first 10-15 minutes we had the game, we could have scored a couple of goals, which we didn't, and then we gave them the rest of the half, so we went in. All I told them was to press. We needed to press them, because if you give Accra Lions space, if you give them time on the ball, they'll be able to possess around you because they move a lot. So all we needed to do, press, cover, balance, that's all that we needed to do in defense. And the second half, we also changed the captain, Alex. We brought on a striker so that we could play two top. We went for the 4-2-2-2. You realize that now we're pressing them, now they were playing long balls, which was actually very good for us because we know that they couldn't get behind us, and that's exactly what we did. We pressed them, we got the ball, we were able to get that goal, and then lucky enough.
You won extensively, and now test and Kwaku Ajeman etc. tactics mu Jentu Mutimi Din Koma, the whole Samno, and I'm on an Kwaku Ajeman, no tactical coach for Vision FC now as a Brofono or Renessa. And so Etimidiguo, Ibrahim Tanku, a head coach at the Medjama Bobo Kuno, or no answer to meeting Kunim at the Legon Cities. After the game, Ibrahim Tanku, a boy and Como.
Many just say, Hanya 3 points, but at least here 3 points, to push us forward to the next games. And it is a Polana Bohomodi, Omar fighting very hard. First half, because of my third game or the instructions. But second half, he said they did very well, and then at the end, he said we deserve to get the 3 points. Oh, I mean, pressure in football, every day. I mean, no game no more than 30 years, so all this pressure, I know. And they say, before the game, and Legon Cities are winning 2 matches, and they lose 2 matches, so definitely, motivation. And then I think I'm almost confident. And the ball more about so we hope say next game and so no better. Many just say anya 3 points. But
after so odi nkunim e de tia legon ti no na ni age se nkunim de enso etimi aba na no ada na me kan se nra nsem esi ye wonsu atre no on se ntokwa bebre e na timi call so na player back one so a former player na Sande Kotoko the last person about hat-trick e de tia House of Folk Kotoko na House of Folk bo no e Sadiq Adams wodi nkomo na Sadiq Adams nkomodiem no say sanyo manoma wiesi wo yam football mu no. We've grown past that.
We have to advise ourselves. I mean, we have to condemn what happened in Swatre. Those things need to stop in our football because we have grown past that. And yes, over Krawabusia for say, Opako, yeah, I've been more than each year. Now, because the best thing you can have in this life is the life itself. So we pay. That was an about as you
Adams, any two Jan church mu say you've grown past that. Say say no we no eno enso esimitwa. Sans no said in komobiem no komodie no enso ensem o ka e de supporters no.
This one goes to our supporters. Moment you say, apart from ball, you have life. Apart from supporting your team, you have life. So if you go to the stadium, now you take it to the ball. You support your team. Because you can never always win. Sometimes you have to lose, sometimes you have to win. And that's the game of football.
Sadiq Adams enso etimi ede two dwa ere honsem no ede ma ya hwefo ene ya tiefo na me twaneti e woni nsensem num no osan di nkomo e wo nyoma ese leaders ne ye na afiyem football no ene bibia timi koyie
enti de asi won so atre no esre se empanyfo a omodi football na nim no oso modom na ye de isifo because bibia ye football na e kono time the reality time. Because you move be say no say be a football no be a intimate free football no say am a coaches and say am any managers and as be football ma will still be in football will still be talking about football and I say be a mbam be ba bobo ni bi dache intimate be an ye kan was ye pani enti ye kan was so our leaders no form 94 the securities that we have in our venues is
enso etimi tu ya Kumasi Sande Kotoko ni Nsuateman sensem ne de yakoko komu a Sande Kotoko enso fans no hodi eye ayi enso wo manhia enche ye bekọ akopẹ kakra enso etimi de na before se ye bekọ ho no we eye proposal tin afri Nsuatre ho anase Nsuateman enso etimi akomu Ghana Premier League akachne se GF akache ono me de ko entifa omayi ne to so mame na me wese make me read this statement no quick elsewhere to me e free ho a Nsuateman for ne say accept our warm sporting compliment the club president and the board of directors of Nsuateman Football Club in an emergency meeting held today 3rd February 2025 have resolved to withdraw from the Ghana Premier League with immediate effect. This decision has not been arrived at likely considering the possible consequential effect it is likely to have on the league and other clubs. However, the club believes.
Bishop, man, read here. Say
this. We read this. I can't say no. Hey, dear Bannis. The Ghana Football Association has suspended the Ghana League.
Okay.
Next round of matches in Yemo. Now, in a statement, we have decided to postpone the next round of league matches, Match Day 20, following the violent incidents and fatality that occurred at the match played between Nsuateman FC and Kumasi Sante Kotoko over the weekend. This move is aimed at creating space for the GFA to engage with relevant stakeholders and discuss the ramifications of the violence. The postponement will allow the GFA to assess the situation consult with stakeholders, and develop strategies to prevent such incidents in the future. The GFA has been working to improve the overall football experience in Ghana and is keen to ensure that this incident is dealt with swiftly and decisively to send the signal that such acts have no place in Ghana football. Thank you very much.
And I'm invited club for emergency meeting.
Club
GFA invites Premier League clubs to emergency meeting. Me boy room na my reading.
League near Jabo, public pressure near Jabo, and your mom pay a common pancake.
Oh, but yeah. Meeting here Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday,
11 a.m.
I'm back. That's it. See the makers. Hey, that's the hey. My jacket. Yes, of course.
Ata any komo.
The transit. How could you read your name? You could do document. See, Minia.
Meet you.
See the maker. Enra. Near course won't see a turn. Nami Bofu Kakra. Bisa me nam for more kotoko bench or say mamono sa anyo ma yiko so no adenti kra na manya ball no bo we na me say bisa
free kick to the home side
adenti na munja ball no bo munja ball ade na beba pole owu yansa na ball no po
ya owu
pole owu yansa na nchatrama show mu goal pole owu park so stadium no owu
Johana cause money.
BBID dance as a police for in control.
Video na that TV no.
Voma and then the referees. Voma said referees need na ye.
Yeah.
Because it be a for money who en chair grant your mom problem was. Voma didn't know to us born or friend kind prosper your mom. That's what I've been told. General Secretary of mom.
Or friend prosper.
Yeah, referees no the officials when they got in touch, they catch your mom. Now, little kid. In Satrema, I'm going to need time. I'm here now for. Because the couple no some more about teams, no more dashless hotel. In Satrema, no more training.
Hey, so what happened?
Look, they are so. I'm going to say, Sanema will cost, but that's just by the by. One. Nana Pinkra, any question up here? Rich or say Akutu. Moko park and so catch from say Omunya bornable. The security situation was bad. Then I got a call. Why didn't you stop? Look at the level of indiscipline on the pitch. Look at that level of. Sorry, but this was very highly stupid on their part. Hey, the players near your park. Police. Okop stadium, baby, how is secured by inner perimeter? Maybe a park. Obi etime wura ho de bibia be bo camera o se hwan no so look then what are you people even saying? Let's look in Obi ewu then says so look, the GFA only cares about the integrity of the game. Mumia mo league no enya say enu gwa se beba but Obi na ewu no after they are suspending league no. Which means that's part of the statement that says we have been working towards improving the look. Omubwa. Me say omubwa. Abraham me nim say na me wa house na me want to. Me na me interview RTU player. Na omakobo nsu atra against nsu atrema na boy na patamale for Chelsea. Nsu atreman ball weekend ya no bia. That was 3 years ago. Then as I say, moja na egu ninti. Sa ne ma ya hu si de bia munyinimpie, ye be bu. Then na ma ya fa ho. Masa ye region mo de jada ho. Into sa statement we no mo de no tat one na ye dey. But look at the pitch. Look at that. Justice Blay, Bobby blow. Watch, like inside players, no, look, indiscipline. No boo inside for look. no. Well, we're in the Emoya. Hey, if you assume, Yankopon Kwan and Kofo. Kinsilabe ye, Kofiabe ye, or a pharmacist. On the Buna for Circle 43 on the secretary. Nipapu. A year na se na fuzi wo ho. Circle's chairman. Kudwa de, no so wo ho. Ye di nkoma so mka chem ni se match ni mbe shipa. Ndoma be sisinti no. I was security. At that time, Mr. Sadanos, ye peliga, you almost saw the relegation zone. And I'm on you 2 years. Former MP.
Former minister.
Otiho, district commander Tiho. We ubi a park so any more how. Now it's over my Ukrako park so. Most of my career pull a video, be none the man in inside and and then cranny so. On bed Marco school.
Debbie.
Ne no beti ma dabiem.
Debbie.
Company nipa on ne da so no kwa on da hobiem. Sa no mani na na mfa mo. Se prosper say yam. Mo modie. Ana mo nya bo no, but na mo ja bo no ba de na si. Kotoko taba fully tour form no. When people went there, how they you pa. Omunyai na omuntimi kotoko medics ntimi ate.
Jamina ntimenu. Justice Blake.
Beti mi ahwe no. Little king. Boys now mo kobo amanfo no so omompene.
Omompene ye no.
Oh. Ode ye. Mo koye meeting, dey meeting. Wo ebe edini be bankwam. Look, take this off.
That needs to calm down.
Yeah.
Free kick to the home side.
I couldn't see it today. Oh.
Little, I share the same sentiment with me offer about discipline and who issues a sorry or park and so. I asked a lot of questions.
But me, what bothers me to say, you was somebody for you now park or you saw a referee or park and so. Or meant to control this.
Needs to calm down.
I'm a parent. And how we serve as a country?
See, issues in any baby a kofa buy gate nano issues na detention they can share say no Emma na akoma was so kakra and say
3 points.
Oh yes, of course, because baby omoda no mo lusu ti akoma sa sante kodokwa adienti ana so atema fo na nia bene say bekum Chelsea ekodi nkomo so mo next game obi omo ni so atema bebo bia no komo man so atema ho ntomo ne ntomo chombe show mo poto
no because I'm abom Adriana say
football na say na
it's going into this game no na ebufo ni akoma e wo soro dada but you see Koroko is such a big club where I strongly believe say
don't use that word again, please proceed.
Okay, that is why I strongly believe say emotional intelligence should have been at display here because on the pitch of play unim say opponent na ni abre obese wo bufuo obeto ninsa obey obibi you need to control your temper and I'm surprised to see a captain part of this and maybe so my wadrin so nyo senti ye na kotoko ekonobi hunahuna na obi sisi ya empena na I'm not saying that but eto de bia mumma emotional intelligence enya dwuma kakra when it comes to such situations learn how to do with these matters. Control yourself as players. And the captain of the side, Yankubi, control your players.
No, the ability to control yourself.
Two captains in no way. Control your players. You are leaders. But control your poor away game. Let my emotional intelligence in Juma. And Akofa Sanfu Frodi Aba, Amazisi Obi Ahrene Nkwa because of a Wabu food. But you see, whatever happens on the pitch,
okay,
that is why we have a referee. We have security agencies. Our more park and what technical bench on winning our war. This shouldn't have escalated up to this level, and it was a total disrespect to the badge.
I don't want to believe, sir. Ref in the pitch is one to see a war I don't want to believe.
Oh, because
Very well. Maybe I see referee will never know.
Referee
I know that is the entrance to the gate.
Referee knew
the side of it.
Player news support and so a we and one support and we.
Referee no crowd is not relevant.
The only people that saw the thing
is not relevant in the matter.
Medics.
Yes.
They look straight.
And that cause some report to my referee. So this is what
90% of the fans at the stadium. No. 90%.
What happened?
But this is where I ask myself these questions. Meaning so obi abe raise concern and we can we and obe pa we chow and then to kwan ko si ha and then we ko si ha baby a me concern one ne a me gina me busa question here say why did empanyimfo a omonim this situation allow Pole to be dragged out by a session of his supporters and empanyimfo without providing the necessary security or protection for Pole?
You shouldn't have gone out even in the first place.
I'm asking this question today. There's no sense. But this is away game. Munim said the away game city. No necessary protection Pole home by.
I was thinking, say, okay.
There be
call the bar, say, Yenny Pole, I don't mind Janama police.
No.
You see,
Apostle.
I'm saying that. First of all, call nearby here to let him go. I was an unintelligent call.
Okay.
Sebio, your ball match incident is CC. The best place at Pole be protected stadium. Sebio around got a company for no more no nana nkasa kwesi apia. Nanka ye normal friend for a police escort a big guide your marco. That was the best decision they should have taken.
Come here,
these questions in penny for be yan on famaye because untimi for being too quiet and alive. You can't travel.
There was a contingent
because me and around 8:39. Me fa baba ya route. Pole parking motorbike. Esi baba ya main entrance.
Yeah.
No, Obama be fan ade. The motor was there. Mami bia na stop walk closer to that. Ne ra what motor me change say ya.
Pole.
Mo the supporter na to kwan. Mo ntimi an guarantee supporter and safety. Mo the supporter na ba. I'm sitting here. Whatever press conference they are doing over there, we don't care. Me, even if so man to us one pay justice, anye bibi a mama for bo ato mu yema. Me a metina he. I don't think say metimi atina radio so aka say monko stadium monko ekotoko match da. Me make me two for aka say bo ho by because nobody actually cares about you.
Ayabo bi two on any okumase.
And your safety is not secured. And your safety is not secured. Muntimi for being too kwan. Corporate no why we call mudi obi to kwan yesi enyini free stadium. Pole nye can say I don't want to distinguish between supporters. But Pole ya be a supporters face bia. He's the face now. Ah baby obeko bia enti mo amu face na ya ka kire ne say. Yenyini free stadium mu fa nimpie no. The rest of the supporters empanyi for now mo why.
I'm fanning Pian coin.
Bible Ben and Modemano.
There be almost fanning Pian coin. That's a decision I'm contesting. There's no sense in that.
Protect your own. Protect your own. You failed to protect Pole. And I'm saying for a fact, Nippano Kuno Wakuno or Quadia. But I'm telling you, more a hands in the death of Pole. Kodoko supporters in penny for Mokamubina Pole, Efshren.
Because what was the threat on his life? Not baby out, I was still not a threat near day. Not me, but not threat near day. On bow, ever you see can some be on Ohana.
Debbie.
So why then take that decision? That does not make sense.
Timer, what approaching honorable no, and honorable Pim Pole, and the bodyguards no, and Rashi.
Yeah, but that was but after that.
It's your mom say Pole is still how we are. Still what?
No.
The chaos.
Mazamenko.
It's out as well.
Mazamenko. Me see, it's an unintelligent. Whoever says unintelligent and naive person about security. It doesn't make sense.
Very naive, especially like
so now, no, security you don't make assumptions.
You don't assume.
No, please.
Yeah.
Because 1 second decision.
And prevention is better than cure.
Let me tell you this. Therefore, I was here. I've been saying this consistently. That the dynamics of the way young guys, young girls, any before Shanko for stadiums of late, no, you have no idea. The security was porous and non-existent. Porous. Maka that listen. Ghana, your orientation, your say we respect military than police. This is the number one thing we have to deal with.
Okay.
Or else forget it. Second, say koto company for Timia gather an intelligence like that. What intelligence did the police service gather? Or the security for the game?
Mohamed Kamara involved also. Kamara needs to calm down.
The intelligence no matter. If club officials could have an intelligence, even on the evidence of the stand described police, it should tell you that this is likely. And then you're a sort of picking pockets of information. The intelligence going to this game from the security services was zero. The number of police personnel somebody called was, please, to say the least, abysmal. Now what is policing? Sebiu. What was stadium? Na Yakobo match. It was stadium. Ghana nkwa ene. Ghana nkwa na police for sure football. Where the incident occurs, I want to park castle. And so whilst park ball no cost no, be crabbe to me we are near free. But the policing should be around the place from the entrance in Swata Uremwa, from her right down to baby Astro Tef no one to the pitch. You are policing everywhere. Personal detail everywhere before the main stadium. Because it's all protecting the life, any properties, any facilities for the match. If you fail to do that, please. Manya said regional commander, but listen, those things is unfortunately is zero. Regional commander, please. No disrespect to you. But for a police service to stay, I look and security intelligence and everything, national security and everything there. And then Obi Ekunewe, you are going to do fact finding. Yes, I agree. Procedure. But with the fact finding, Emma pull labor back to life. This could have been avoided. And Debbie can say, I've been saying the issue about let's complement police Juma with military. I've always been saying this. Okay, I think it was suspending league. I've been saying this constantly. Let's add military to the police. Because, and we have forgotten that there was a main night in this country. And I can say, still, we have not learned from the main night because, look, I thought guys after mainland Kotokoni has work. Babara, what happened? Nibenwu, 2 people died.
Yeah.
After mainland, what happened? I thought I win this incident 12 years ago. Brekum. Then we friend say energy. I'm saying, how many times do you want this? Yes. I mean,
and can be the ball. And now I'm a ball cram and energy team.
Yes, energy.
Yeah.
You would have killed him.
So this thing has been knocking on our doors for some time.
A referee was nearly killed by Brekum now.
So why are we making this look like?
We need preparations, security, no. Yeah, with the revenue matches.
With security.
Because such a
product, I've said that even make sure you have a special arrangement with the court. Send a bear. How the fast track high court we have a situation whereby supporters somebody to trust them who will jail some of them 10 years, 15 years to be serving a deterrent. We don't do that. Secondly, security detailing for games and so making sure say soldier for at least me and Sanka police for
also
because I can tell you say the soldiers wanke and no be brasi. It will rise up, but when they step in, because when they step in, they'll be ruthless and there'll be order. Yes, where police for no be break a big to me to America. Be break from when people are misbehaving.
They are chasing people
with impunity.
Anti-meru justice.
There's a police for literally on the field of play. No disrespect, but everyone no money more from.
W, and you're wrong,
no money more from
Oko Buran and half side one. Police for us, you're powerless.
You know, you see,
they cannot do any arrest.
I think that, I don't know the kind of detailing, but the dragons, look, the dragons of the police force is one of the best force we have. And then some of this man, into a different unit. But I'm saying that even that unit, very Mikaipa said they took him out of the stadium.
Yeah.
Oh, they are here. So one, the lack of intelligence going to the game Niema betimias the likelihood say Niema we besi a 1 2 detailing of security, what we call security near police for copper no, not and this thing besi we've not changed. Your police for copper the commanding officer detail you park no transit no show me see instructor no timidin come who ride na president right na police want din come more phones din come why match is ongoing.
No one pay attention.
It's not the class sponsor the same about the same thing. How many times have you seen the police facing your friends the crowd and then some mufti CID for more? How many times? Ghana dear sebi omaya sebi nipa once na yan pen for nyansa sorry. Ghana unim committee say form okruma. This a nipa uni form committee. Ye we san consider baby a. The nkola no mo May 9th disaster no. Nkola no our parents ewuye no. What has the state done since then? Obi abisa baby o nkola echo school and say bi adi dem bi ofie niam nko yom. Nobody cares. Now here we are, Pole de Abayeka. Unfortunately, Neba, very young kids. Neri. Yeah. Unless Abia Kotoko surprising me and not shocking me. But trust me, if you are not careful, his press conference is here beyond Bibiano. What happens to the family?
I like that.
And I remember at him. The irony of this, I remember advising him after the Legon City match.
Yeah.
Not to go too extreme. You should be very mindful because a seer, say Kroma in Pennyford said, but nobody will go and give the wife 50,000 Ghana some funny business in Colano. To all the sacrifice, all their shame, the way, all they have amounted to.
Sorry, it took one man. And what they told him say, no matter what, in the life better my family no. Apart from Obia and KBU.
So then
Asari is gone.
And please, we are going support Apenya. Be wise not to make remarks about Sebe Nyansen him. Because I will personally come after you. The young man, he works for Sandy Kotoko. Will be interested in the capacity and the detail. If you know Kotoko did not recognize, why was he doing all that he was doing? So please, wait a moment of sober reflection. Be only wisdom and keep your mouth shut. Some of you have started talking as if you have been injected with lunatic injection. Please, at least if not the sensitivity of the family, a sensitive time. Please be mindful of that.
Yeah. So Honorable Kofi Adams, and company for the income. I will assure you, say, we be the first case. I will be suma omanena. He will go to the limit and make sure say whatever that is supposed to be done. Ebema koroko busu ane bo atom yem. And you'll be out with the football chibuaton yem.
To arrest the perpetrators.
Yes, and we need that's the question now.
There is a breakthrough for the police. They have a significant lead.
Fantastic. Yeah. That's good. We thank God for the lead, but until an arrest has been made,
yes.
I don't know. And beyond this, I see we can't continue like this. You can't the lead arrest the person. We really praise the. Me see, we should go back to the venerable Okujeto. Okujeto commission report on police capacity and training to handle crowd. Sad the end of the report. So solid, but yeah, the idea gross.
Yeah, they are too baby.
How prepared our police about stadium? How to deal with crowd? A major issue. It has been happening time and time after midnight. Sir.
Okay.
As I said, Biblical Christian now my over how many somewhere. But me until you studied the soldiers, even each venue, how many venues? 8 venues. Again, 3 army officers.
Yeah, na class.
Complement.
Class also complain say na cost.
Please. So cost. Nipa onu bet me discuss so. The FA should make sure that they get those things together. Very, very important.
Okay.
Human life, you need to be in the agro, please.
Okay.
That place.
Oh, said that mother board requires the apostle.
More division 1. Some of these things, money tamale situations. You are becoming a hotspot for legalism. And
you're Munkwandoma Brekum.
No, but
there has not been a single season
for Doma, dear. Look, normally it's only when they are playing cut off. And Ukraine will get 1 or 2. But on my whole crowd is not. If you talk about Brekum, where it's Brekum Arsenal.
Last season, I remember
if it's
against Tamale City.
If it's a Brekum, no. Ubewa 1 spot, 1 or 2 incidents, but you can't generalize it. I'm talking about when Brekum Arsenal was in the Premier Division. That's a different ballgame. Now I'm saying Chelsea, unfortunately, some few issues. Yes.
Yeah.
So they are saying. So let's be sparing. In moment like this, we should be very circumspect.
Okay.
Sensitive to the family.
Yes. That's
okay. But that's the young for course no. 0551931931 0548931931. Ubetuma Fena Odo Adventure. Abajumadi so live on Sompa full time 93.1. Yanko. Piatuma mina yanko. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Okay.
Jamina and Team Menu.
Good
Justice Blake.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, udine be biaka se free. Okay, Pacho yet you.
Ewo abaso anopa bi aso sa mo de breye. Na me enhyamo. Na se the football e bi akodro dia no odi o. Ese enso atre ne kotoko. Obo nyina wonya abotre na akoma emra fom. Na ni pe wuja. Madaroma.
Yo, that's it. Yanfa obi for na yanto aso. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Yatonka, good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho peja o voice ni kakrama mini ni nkomo. Udi ni bebi akasa free.
Because for me, it's free konomo.
Okay, yeti ominua.
Because I can say the money is my plan to perform in my organ. You see, got money. The first former for a backpack that least on community spring night. Okay, of what you see, another part is here. I think it will be a slow, please. So, then upon the so please aside, it is like, I think the purpose in the air family people, and fra. So they are the fear of panic of people, no, and they're more. Yes, I would because you're going to be too boy, you. If you have a 3 service media, Ghana football is the ancient almost looking at my.
Yo, Keith PK was say yes, Apostle. I remember that very advice you gave him when he fought with someone at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Okay, that's a power PK. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Ken.
Yes, I'm Pacho Ding.
Abashana ni Kunsu Club.
Kunsu Kojo Kromana ne yetio.
And a baby, I'm a basso.
That's it.
I think Sandra, and they see that the man is not India, was but Magana in Nairobi. That only time dirty, meaning Tipoli reduce, but be a mechanic cannot miss here, Tipoli, but and that lady and there's what Mama Magana football and he jammed him. It has lent in form of can be a woman. Some 2 million people not can be as a that's more personal as you give our muscle. Yes, I think second job by the Numi Ama Ghana football. Catch for the Numi Ghana football, which is strength in the corner. Catch the only open the young conkai. The strength in the corner. That was very well as Rob, the legal generation will promote Muslim. I think I caught Bruno, you are there for a blue corner. I think I caught Buna is the who stand a coso. And get strength in the corner. That was Ghana for a who tuma, one a person from the camp because. But when I got football, it is I could have football. I remember take it here. Also, if I'm going to from margin, not going to got football. Come on.
But I say, Anna Kunsu Kojo Krum na ya tenen kano. Madaroma, ya the course ni besia. Ya the course no ebesia na news ababeto so wote Apostle Jeffrey Asarinka, wote Bishop Atapokunka, and afi Akomia the Sports Messiah Ricardo Varas and the office of the Bray, Midi and the Little King